uCN Bucci wins a video telling people that she's making so much money to a point where the banks are questioning her ngokuthi imali yakho ithathaphi.
Ngasuke sibuze lawo stairs ngaxhuma
And akekho kujahayo.
and then phela babengijaha but I had like so my hand dislocated, my bone dislocated.
Siyakhanselwe mina abantu sebebenzile ngisho ama-face beats. You understand? And I'm like, yabo mayikhansela, I won't lie. I'm saying this on camera. I was so happy. Angikaze ngijabule kanje empilweni yami ukuthi ngangiqala ukujabulela i-downfall yomuntu.
Well, abafethu, welcome to On Point with Sandy Nene. Well, guys, namhlanje this is a very special episode. Ngilama guest out who are the friends of the Now Popular podcast. Usine Nene, Andrew Matuke, all the way from Kakasi FM, and Madam Ayo, owenze microblading. So my business, we influence. Also, wait, bafethu, namhlanje this episode I'm about celebrating them. Siyazi ukuthi uSinena has been on the podcast more than once. Kanti futhi naye Madam Ayona sekwafika futhi kwi-podcast ibe interview yena uLumkile. Seziningi izinto abayi-achievile nje. After sebefikile la kwi-podcast, uSinena siyambona ukuthi uhamba kakhulu kabi lapha kwi-Location Bites yakhe lapho reviewer ama-restaurants ahlukahlukene, and futhi ke siyamcongratulate ukuthi kwi-line up yeGagasi FM, which is something that's really amazing. And Madam Ayona usevula indawo yakhe yokusebenzela, usenabasebenzi bakhe. Siyakhuluma isikhathi iLumkile interview esasebenza yedwa manje useqashile abantu, which is something amazing. But ngathi no guys, fanele ukuthi ngibalethe la ngizothi ngikhulume nje nabo kancane ukuthi kahle kahle benza kanjani. Maybe some people that have been on the podcast bazogcina sebethola ukuthi yena basizakale. By the way, ngizothanda ukuthi ngibonge nje kakhulu kwi-Vati Beverages yalapha noShakile waKhumalo. Thank you so much for sponsoring this episode, and also Osizini Clothing. Ngisho ukuthi lesi esinye isikipha sithi ngihamba ngedwa namhlanje. Unkinsela wokhoze FM abaleka naso ngabe ngiyasho namhlanje asimazi ukuthi ukephi. Unkinsela, when you see this, you owe the person wasosizini Clothing. Guys, how you doing?
That was a mouthful. So thin phela siyaphila Nkosi yami ngoba nakusila.
How are you guys doing?
We're good. Excited to be here.
Yeah, it's nice to be here. Ngicela ungitshele nje, what have you been busy with lately?
This entire year I've just only done radio. I won't even lie to you.
Yeah.
Unyaka wonke I was khona okade ngibuza, and I had that realization ukuthi how has your 2026 been? Then I took a moment to like reflect. Ngabona ukuthi actually unyaka wonke this year I haven't done anything besides radio.
Select Africa TV?
And Select Africa TV, but it's just radio and Select Africa TV.
But you've been doing what you love.
Yeah, I've been doing what I love. So I'm not even complaining, but I'm just saying I haven't touched much on other things besides Select Africa bengayibali because bengivele ngiyenza like something that kati vele ngiyabo kanti radio, in as much as bengivele ngiyenza, but I wasn't officially a part of the lineup.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Manje, you're a content presenter.
Yes. Oh, got an appointment letter. It was so good to receive an email to her. Congratulations. We'd love to offer you a position. It's been years.
Kakasi gona.
Yeah, I'm getting them But yeah.
Okay, yes. Olani Dovela. Popularly known as Madam Ayo.
Yeah.
I know that you've been busy a lot. You've been traveling a lot. You went to classes. Tell me, the year, you
Oh, this year I was celebrating myself, focusing with business as well. As you mentioned, because I was traveling. But yeah, I've been busy.
Yeah.
But at the side, no,
Yeah. Andrew Matuke, tell me more about Location Bites. Because, I mean, okay, so it's Kuluma about Kakasi FM as well. Adapta kanjani since isikhathi sokulala sesiyashintsha manje. Wena abantu mabelele wena ubhekile ngicela ungitshele Location Bites, is it yours? How is it coming about?
Okay, Location Bites is mine. So I've been struggling to consistently run with it ngoba ngithi ngifuna ukuzenza philanthropist. Ngisaqala business. Yeah, but ska backfire.
Yeah.
So when I started the business, I really wanted to do it like a free thing for the people abaselokishini, because I felt like about profile wangalendlela that we profile other businesses like go Florida, noma go ban, go Sentin, go ban yabo. So I was like, how about I create a platform where I do content for them for free to uplift them. I've been doing it since 2022, and I'm afraid the free parts is not working out for me. I'm sure it's working out for the businesses, but I have to travel. I have to pay my people because I also have people to shoot and edit. We have to get equipment. And I business. I really thought by this time sponsor. So shooting for free is now possible because sponsors petrol, sponsors. But uyayazi impilo ukuthi we plan but God decides, and ngisayiplan ikhanda lami it was big, but mase ngiyibona every day, then I'm realizing ukuthi any reason enza ukuthi ngakwazi ukuyiphusha consistently every day ilokho ukuthi I'm not making money from it, kodwa imali yaphuma ephaketheni lami, so that's not a
Yeah.
sustainable business practice. Baningi bengikhuza nolumkile usekwangikhuza the first time I arrived on the show, but I really thought nah, I can do this and I know what I'm doing, and I still think I can. Ukuthi nje ama-sponsor mengekho, it's really difficult, and then ukuthi ibhizinisi lingahambi, it's holding me back.
Yeah.
So now that's why people don't know ukuthi lokhu but some people think mhlampe business omunye umuntu and I'm just promoting it, brand ambassador.
And that's what I thought.
You know, then I sat down and realized ukuthi abantu abahlanye ngeke nonke ningicabangele ukuthi lo munye umuntu, there's something wrong that I'm doing.
Yeah.
Then I realized that maybe the reason why I can't push it as much as I would like to push it, you go on ukuthi it's not making money for me, but also kumele kuphume imali kumina ukuthi ibhizinisi liqhubeke. So I've then decided ukuthi I sat down with my team, went back to the drawing board. God knows I really tried and I really wanted it to be complimentary for all of you guys, but it's not sustainable for me. So now I have to go back to doing ama-rates, and hopefully this time masengicharge abantu kuzobe i-business model ehambayo. Kuyothi mhla sesirichi-ke sesiyi-company ey'mele esinama-spons, then I'll go back to this thing of doing it for free, because I really, really want to do it for free for the people. But also now I have to keep the lights on. I have to eat. I've got families to feed. I've got, you know, ngabona ukuthi ukube ngiyiphusha abantu bayikhokhela, ngabe sihlezi nabantu esizobashootha ngoba kuhlezi ngena imali, ngihlezi ngikwazi ukuyipromote. But sometimes you can't even go shoot because imali ayikho.
But did you try social media platform like TikTok or Facebook to ask people, because into kanje le? Because now,
Well, to be honest, I'm finished ukukhohlisa nje kofa. Ngine pride. I don't like asking.
no, I think it was a pride.
Okay,
Yeah, I don't like asking.
There's a
Mangicela
potential
ngazathi ngacela kuma emails like proposal, but I can't go to social media and be like,
No, I
"Hi,
think
guys,
that imagine
and-
social media won't ask exactly for money, but now you ask for likes and sharing the
oh no, that I
videos.
do a lot.
Yeah, but-
I
yeah,
do.
because now Facebook is starting to pay.
Yes,
yabo.
yes.
Yabo.
I do that, but thinking angithi social media ufuna ukuthi ube consistent to post every week.
Yes,
So people
that's-
are gonna
that's
like and
true.
follow your post
Yeah.
and your page, but if kuneviki ongeke uposte ngalo, kwi-algorithm uyehla uyoqala phansi.
yeah.
So abantu ngihlezi ngibacela and they do support, but I won't lie, they do like and comment and share, but i-consistent thina iyahlula ukuthi siyibambe ngoba ahlezi sinemali yokushoot. So ngale nsuku esingashuthile ngazo, singapostile ngazo, then what happens to ama-likes abantu?
Yeah, kuyahlikela.
Kuyehluleka. So I think nje bese sidecidile vele ne-team would know, so create a-red card, siyiphushe abantu, ngizobuya ku-social media sengithi guys na ama-rates, sicela i-support, sifuna ukunimarketha nama-food businesses enu, and then enye nenye, but angifuna ukudlala ngayo, ngeke ngikwazi ukuya ku-social media ngithi wema.
No, phela ucela exactly the same mali. But yes, mina nje ungibona namhlanje mina ngaye ngaka social media as I cried out social media ngacela. I think angangiyofunda i-course yami yesibili, then I got sick endleleni ngisangashona lo mama.
Oh, I'm sorry about
But
your
I
loss.
went to social media. I was in Joburg.
Did they help you
cried
out with
out.
what, with fees for?
Yes. People that I don't know from abroad, they give me like money when I'm talking about 14,000, 20,000. yabo.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you not fear ukuthi, because I've also seen sometimes khona abantu abenza njalo bezocela social media and then jiki uma usupost okunye sekuthiwa hey wena udla imali yethu,
Yeah, imali zethu.
kancane
No, phela by that
sebakukhumbuza.
time babebona nabo ukuthi oh ngise-Joburg yabo vele ngiyazama ibhizinisi
Yeah.
ngiyofundela enye into and then ngiyakula.
Have they not ever
Yabo.
used it against you?
They never ngakhala ngavele ngama nje ngakhala, you know.
What I've
ukuthi-
noticed with you, Madam Ayo, is that your audience, your online audience, bakuthanda kakhulu.
Yeah.
Bakuthanda kakhulu, and I'm sure yona into egcina isiyenza ukuthi i-support ebhizinisi lakho igcina isifike la esikhona. I
Mm.
know that usuvula indawo yakho yokusebenzela,
Yeah.
unabasebenzi abangako nje manje. Ucela ungitshela ukuthi nje kunjani ube umphathi, bangaka abasebenzi usunabo, kuhamba kanjani, ingqinamba ohlangabezana nazo, njalo njalo. I know that you're a very professional person. You're very
Yeah.
strict. Awuchaze nje.
Yo kumnandi bamphathi. I would say, yeah.
Ufuna bekubize ngomphathi noma ngomedam ayo?
Hayi mina bangibiza ngo-Ayanda. I think abasebenzi bami bafreely ngale ndlela ukuthi sixoxa yonke into. So ngibona umphathi exactly, but kuba umphathi kumnandi ngaphandle. No sukwi-staff,
Not
but
kwi-staff.
nje ayikubona I don't feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then khona ingqinamba zikwahlangabezana nazo nje lately.
Yeah, zikhona, but
Zikhona.
siyahlupha staff.
Yeah.
Okokuqala asithembekanga. That's one thing
Yeah,
for sure. And especially when umuntu uzoqala naye ibhizinisi akubone lisebenza bese lisebenza kakhulu, and then umuntu ngakusasa ungambona uyavuka or akavuki. You understand?
And you're trusting abantu
You are
ngevision
trusting abantu,
yakho.
and sometimes uzothi awukho wena ukwenye indawo usutshethe nomuntu ohleli kanti akazuba khona nawo ama-client abheka wena fanele kube uwena owenza
Because you're the
ama-client
face.
you are face uya-understand fanele kube manje kuba uwena abantu banikeza ama-free offers yabo ngento enziwa
To make up for umuntu
mina
westaff.
sengiyaluza yabo
Usazotshontshelwa on
yeah
top of.
otherwise kodwa-ke kumnandi
Okay. Ooh, the sound of KZN.
I know. There was so much noise that was made after you were announced as a contributor. There was so much noise more than now. Everyone was just like, so when you were announced as a contributor, when Newcastle supports you, and that's amazing. Manje, I think even Mag, excitement yakho ibifana njengasekuqaleni nakulokhu manje, because I think angicazela.
Ibingafani.
Mhm.
Ekuqaleni I was, I think, overly excited ukudlula manje because it was my first time ever stepping into that building.
Okay.
ngiyosebenza,
Yes.
Speaking on that mic.
Yes.
I know it's
Mingling with
happening.
those
Yeah,
people, rubbing
yeah.
shoulders, it's mang yabo.
Yeah, yeah.
So it was exciting times 20, times 50, times 100.
Yeah.
It was the first.
Yeah.
Manje, I'm still excited. I'm still really excited. Ukuthi
Yeah.
akusafana seqaleni because manje bese ngijwayele environment yakhona.
Yeah.
Sengijwayele ukusebenza nabantu bakhona.
Yeah.
Sengijwayele ukuba se-studio.
Yes.
Sengijwayele, yabo nje sengijwayele into
Yes.
eningi. And at the time I arrived for the first time, ungakhohlwa ukuthi kwakade kuqeda kuhamba uPenny. So that's why there was also a lot of noise. Also, it was at that time,
yes.
people didn't know ukuthi umehluko phakathi. People didn't even know ukuthi bengiyi-contributor mina eGagasi. Bebetshela nje ukuthi
Yeah.
ngumsakazi. So they were excited for me because they thought this is the breakthrough that I've been praying for. And
Yeah.
I was just stepping in.
Stepping in.
And then after being there, contributing for 2 years, now I'm officially on the lineup. I think kubantu, it was a matter of, we saw it coming. We've always known. We expected it to
Yeah.
happen sooner,
yeah.
but it didn't happen
Nama
sooner.
expected it to come in sooner.
I also
because-
expected it to come sooner, I won't lie. But it didn't, and
But
it came at
thinking
the
lapho
time.
ukuthi it was good ukuthi ngafika lesa sikhathi
Definitely, yonke into timing yaJehova.
Yeah.
Yeah, yonke into. Maybe I wouldn't have been able to, I don't know, handle it or what. I don't know. Anginasizathu, but
Yeah.
I know for sure ukuthi yonke into emhlabeni yenzeka ngesikhathi esi-right.
That
You are
is-
exactly where you are supposed to be.
Mhm.
Not delayed, not ngaphambili, ula kumele ngabe ukhona. So I think for everyone, it was that thing. Ekuqaleni ukuthi it was exciting because it was my first time stepping into that journey and people didn't know ukuthi ngacontribute ababetshela ukuthi ngumsakazi vele. Now that I've been on air for 2 years and sometimes being 22 by look stand in for shows.
Which I want to applaud Gagasi FM for that.
Yeah.
It was really very much amazing to see ukuthi now you're stepping in. So
Yes.
because yabo manje ukusebenzisa abantu that are contributing to your show, because I'm a media house, they don't take my contributors that serious.
Seriously.
Yabo ukuthi baze bakutrust basithi hayibo ngilalela hayibo usine uyena
Yes.
futhi into athanda ngihle hayibo usine ubambile, and that's amazing. Mina
Yes.
njengase ngazi ukuthi yabo if nje mabe ngakwazanga ukuthi bakufake kwi lineup ngangizosho ukuthi hayi cha ngeke khona isandla semfene sikhona.
Yeah, so nalokho kushoyo ukuthi nganginika ithuba, so abantu I think bese bejwayele ungizwa on air. Now when I finally have my own show basangijabulela, but akusafani another time I was
When
coming
you
in for the
just-
first
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Also, yes, I also want to applaud Gagasi for that. They really cishe ngathi upload. They uplift the talent. They truly do uplift the talent. Uyanikwa laphana ithuba uhlulekela wena.
Yeah.
But also I want to emphasize ukuthi I just got, I was a contributor, then bangithatha bangifaka kuma shows. I also had to push myself ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
Ngibaprovele ukuthi I can do this. Sacrifice,
Be there
ngiyabo
for
be
ama
there,
shows.
ngizavele.
Yeah.
Noma ungafonela ngo last minute kuthiwa yazi usibani bana simthole efonini ungakwazi ukuzongena. If ukhona at that time available, just go. Musukulubusha ama excuse ngoba ukhona yabo. So nami I had to meet them halfway, but also nabo they are a good company because they really give abantu ithuba. Mungabuka ngaphakathi Olusanda Mnqayi, she was also part of the Presence Access competition. Angisakhumbuli ngamuphi unyaka. She didn't make it for that
But she was
competition,
called.
but she was called later on. Ngobani
that
they
is
yes,
Yabo
they
mawukhuluma
really
mawukhuluma ngale ndaba leyo ukuthi yena amathuba uyimoshela wena.
Uyayimoshela lapha.
Mina ngayimoshela mina nami. I was doing what you were doing.
Ngithanda
Ngiyaxolisa.
accountability.
Ngiyaxolisa. Yes, no.
Uthi account.
Like, because manje bro, like sengikhulile and I feel ukuthi the more like I take accountability of the stuff and the mistakes that I've done, nami ngiyahila like inzondo angibi nayo because
Yeah.
I fucked that up.
What did you do if you don't mind me asking?
Ukwazi Khoza, he was still a producer, so Ukwazi Khoza got me to become a contributor. Gushoga Hope Mbele, no DJs Pay Live. So I was doing
Oh, just like me.
yeah. So and then this other time Mangfonela, and I think it was during lockdown, and bangifonela sithi iscript ngase ngisendile and then mina ngangidakwe ngimanzi ngisengikhohliwe bangifonela ngathi that would go on air kanjalo asingikaze ngikhulume nabo after that and then ukwazi cause I think unfrienda I think Hope Mbele unfollowed me as well, or maybe she didn't, but they were so disappointed because the following week we were supposed to do it because I was doing it every Saturday. The following week we were supposed to do it and then we didn't do it. Yeah, so kwaphela lapha. I think nje even negama lami lavete langcola ngaleso sikhathi.
So you never
Ngase FM.
apologized.
Angikaze ngixolise.
This is your chance.
This is my chance to say I'm really
Yeah.
sorry, Hope Mbele. It's amazing to see how far you've come because Hope Mbele ngaleso sikhathi, I think it was her first show. So nje I let her down nokwazi khoza I let him down because I was the one that was just like talking to him, and I think the brand Gagasi FM they give up on me from then because I was a
Mm.
Gagasi FM friend. Yeah, I was a Gagasi FM friend. Ngangihamba wonke ama-beach fest
Oh,
ngithola
Nkosi yami,
ama-invites and
Sandi.
i-tickets okhulekana shandi babe ngimema ngangise ngangikhona isikhathi zozipha indokweni because like a lot of people that were my friends they were on the radio station, so wonke ama-event media launch eGagasi media announcements wonke I was always there. I think nje badelete i-email yami nje from then
Oh
because
my
I'm never
God.
getting ama-invites ever again, so ngayimoshela ithuba and I'm really sorry. By the way, I'm very proud of Brooklyn. You're doing amazing there.
Yeah, ukwazi also puts people on kakhulu.
Yeah,
Uhope
he's
angikwazi
amazing.
because angimficanga, so I don't know,
Yeah.
angimazi,
Yeah.
but I know for sure ukuthi ukwazi really believes in
Ngamphoxa.
putting people on.
Ngamphoxa
Yeah,
shame.
ukuba usasekhona abe ngakuxolisela.
Ngiyazi ukuthi sise East Coast Radio and I still have his number. Ngazama ukufika last year ngimlethele incwadi uDr. Ngiwe Selowenza incwadi ye-mental health kodwa wayengekho kodwa ngamshiyelwa ngitshela ukuthi uyitholile. But unfrienda ke and there's
Maybe
no
he was waiting for your apology. Kubuhlungu ukuthi yes. Kubuhlungu ukuthi nifike nifole out nomuntu
Yeah.
ozaziyo ukuthi wrong.
Yeah.
Bese yathula instead of apologizing sefuna ukulukhuza ngama gift.
ngangazi
Yeah,
ukuthi
maybe he was just
ngithini,
waiting for a
Nkosi
proper
yami.
yeah, it happens mangabe ushaya
Ngangazi
amahloni.
ukuthi ngithini Nkosi yami, but yeah, we're here now and ngicela ukuthi Gagasi ningixolele ngicela ngimeme beach
Oh shame.
Angibebe kwi-beach fest.
Ngicela i-second chance yokugcina. Ngicela i-second chance yokugcina ngci.
How?
I was young and naive. I know better now.
I know better now. Ngakuyi-lockdown ngibona ukuthi awu ma utshwala bukhona ngaleso sikhathi.
Oh,
Athi
stay
ngibheke-
away from alcohol,
Oh,
kids.
something
Stay away
like
from.
that time.
No, bayanikana amathuba lapha ya
Yeah.
usuku usiflophele wena for real.
Yeah. So I'm really glad that you that you said that. Madam Ayo, how many employees? Kahle kahle indawo yakho kusebenzele kephi?
I-commercial building.
Commercial building, number 10, 1019. How many employees do you have currently?
Nginabasebenzi abo-4
Mhm.
and then now senginabo-3.
Lo wenzipho lo ngasekho manje.
Ulo wenzipho lo ngasekho.
Okay.
mfethu, yeah, because of inzipho it wasn't something ebengiyi-promoter that much on my socials. So I think azingithandanga, I don't know, but benginayo le nto ukuthi
People love you. I think
ngingasebenza.
nanokuthi ene people love you for microblading because you're so
Yeah.
much passionate. Ngiyakhumbula during lockdown, you were just like abantu bebekuthanda wenza ama-live akho because they were amazed ukuthi a black guy is doing this type of job. Yabo, I think
And he's
that-
killing it.
and went to microblading, yabo, and is like amazing in doing it. Nontethe wakhala nje. Siquma masethe. Engabe indaba wonke abantu sebezenza umngane nontethe manje. That's
Yo,
what happens.
so
Seyabangwa.
ayiphelele yanto yabo,
when you
mawunemali
vu.
nje uvuvu, uthi.
Yeah.
But you know, I think she is a very good, amazing person.
Yes.
Hlala nayo.
Yeah.
Mina I think ukubonana kwethu mina for me kwakuthi okay ngicela ukumenza just for ukuthi ngi-advertise ibhizinisi ngangibuka the follower
Yeah.
enayo.
Yeah.
Kanti olethi ufana ukuthi ngizothola usisi.
Mhm.
Yo, she's
Yeah, abantu bayasho shame bayasho
Oh,
and that's
kakhulu.
like and she's a giver ngokubona kwami.
kakhulu. She just did something engayikholwanga after efikile one of my employee akuyena ucela ukuthi bacela partnership.
Mm.
Can you imagine ukuthi way of even noma fiki naye as well.
Mm.
Ilokhuzana
Mafika
wafika
amasalon.
wazongifaka- yeah, wafika wazongisupporta.
Mm.
And then umsebenzi wami wahamba wacela ukuthi cela bamnikeze ispace sokusebenza babe kwi-partnership.
Mm.
Uyabo, and then bangifonela bangitshela ngaleyo nto. I was like, yo guys, you're amazing because if bekuthiwa omunye umuntu wayezocabanga imali yakhe
Mm.
bese athi nje ayanda, why not enze imali engaka
Mm.
ne-follow engaka.
Mm.
Umsebenzi wakhe semfundisile
How?
obviously good.
How?
Yabo, but they call me bathi nje kukanje nakanje nakanje. I was so shocked.
Yeah, uyazi ukuthi yena kubalekile yazi ukuthi a lot of people bahlezi bekhuluma ngokubetray abantu ababasebenzelayo. abantu abenza nje umsebenzi wezandla isikhathi esiningi abathembekile. No-MC Mbangikhala wekhala ngama-employees akhe naye ukuthi yena hayi kunzima kakhulu.
That's why ngim-understanda mina uNtethe ukuthi wayesebenza nabantu bakubo. Yes,
usebenza nabantu bakubo kuphela?
Yes, that's
Oh,
why
wow.
Sonke staff sakhe
ngim-understanda. Yeah, ngiyam-understanda
Wow.
why and why angavula amanye ama-branches because ubethraywa i-staff.
Mhm.
Nami ngiyafisa ukuvula amanye ama-branch but I'm scared of i-staff ngendlela esingathembekile ngayo yabo. Ungayifaka ikhamerithini uhambe uyovula ibheki ube umuntu omaziyo ukuthi ugood ukuthi uyabona ngakusasa akasekho useThekwini. Kufanele ngisuke la manje ngebheki mina.
Ngomlandela nemali.
Yeah.
Wow,
So
she's growing a good family business.
Yes.
yeah, that's amazing.
Wow.
And nezinto azenzayo nje nakubo wenzani. And usebenza ngokuyikhandla.
Yeah.
Usebenza ngokuyikhandla. Speaking of abantu abasebenza ngokuyikhandla, there are other guys as well. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi nani, you've achieved so much after being on the podcast. So not that us asiclaim ukuthi thina sinenzile. Yeah. So I would like to congratulate the X Brothers Juniors. Yeah, so X Bros is a delivery company. I've had them on the podcast. Amawele, Awuthuna, Oluthando, Nothando Adam. I went to high school with them. The delivery company, they deliver. So manje, they just started the app yabo.
that
App
is
yabo, yeah, it's on X Bros delivery services on Facebook.
They deliver food or
They deliver food, bakwenzela igrocer.
furniture.
Yeah, no, not furniture. Bakwenzela igrocer. They partnered with the Brit City. They partnered with Spa station kwamashu, and they've partnered with Ivati Beverages. They deliver Ivati beverages, so they're doing great. Thishanda ukuthi nje ngithi halala
Welcome to
ama-guest
business.
eza la enza izinto ezinhle kakhulu.
Congratulations, X Bros.
Have you been to Durban Pride?
No, I've never.
You've never?
Wang invite her. What happened?
A
I think I
POD.
wasn't here. I wasn't in Durban the time it happened.
It was yeah. When have you been?
Always.
Yeah.
Come on.
Well, no, not the club, but with Pride that's coming up.
No, ngiyaya kwi-Pride parties, after parties, not the
Or
Pride.
not the main
Yeah.
event.
No,
Yeah, mina i-Pride ngaqala ukuyihamba ngicabanga ngisho kade ngabe isitabane.
Manje realize
Pride ngaqala uyihamba, I was still in high school. So ngahamba futhi and ngayihamba cabanga ngahamba the extreme one, Joburg. I was doing grade 10. Ngihamba Joburg Pride. So I went to Joburg Pride and then kwafika Durban Pride ke. So there's Durban Pride coming up umhla 27 June izoyenzeka la eThekwini, and then there's also eThekwini Pride. That's also going to happen. And then khona after party, eh?
Hluke ngani Durban Pride neThekwini
Okay.
Pride?
Uyazi ukuthi
Nambe
yonke into inombango. No, yonke into inombango. Yo guys, sengizokhipha indaba.
Cela umkhosi.
Yonke into inombango, guys. So Durban Pride has been going on. It's under Durban Gay and Lesbian Center. Yenziwa uNhlanhla Mkhize MC. And then Sisnehla Mkhize uSiphokazi Nombande, lo weThekwini Pride, used to work for Durban Lesbian and Gay Center. So I don't know what happened. So she moved to Joburg. So Durban Pride was going on, and then bona babona ukuthi no, Durban Pride is not ayenzi kahle. So bese bathi abaqala iThekwini Pride. So they launched it last year. Yo, yaba dope kanjani.
So you also think Thekwini Pride is doper than the Durban one?
I think so, because I mean, how am I? It was dope. It was just amazing.
Kanti yini lena ayithole Thekwini Pride engekho Durban?
No, Durban Pride, I think basebejwayele ukuthi yene vele izowenzeka, vele itabane izoza vele, yabo.
Oh, so
eThekwini Pride,
bengasabi
they
innovative
set the
with new
bar,
ideas.
yabo, and futhi bayenza kuqala kunabo. They set the bar na yonke into imarch yakhona, even they had volunteers, they had
bayamasha
branding.
nabo the Thekwini one.
Yeah, bayamasha nalaba Thekwini Pride, ne-Durban Pride bayamasha. Into emnandi ngalaba
Last year bamashile kodwa.
in Thekwini Pride.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did ngase South Beach.
Nale enye futhi.
Nala bamasha around Kudlamini Park babuyela ngala.
wonke.
Nanganje ngunomngqovu.
I think ukusebenza mina so mina ngikwazi ukwenza zasemini. Yeah.
Okay, no khona after party. Ama after party awuthuna enziwa inkosi yazo lo wasisandalo. Uthe usisanda sengumthanda kakhulu ngoba siyaka usekanye kanye
Kuma periods I saw. Oh, that was so funny. So that.
Well, yeah, so inkosi yazo nayo in after party yayo nondisona undiso Tamatisona from Out of the Closets has been doing events for over a decade, so mina prefer usupporta undiso ngoba ngiyamulonto inkosiyazi nje ngibona ngathi usayifly by night usafika. Undiso has been doing this for a
Zoboshwa,
very long
Sandi.
time.
Fly by night.
Usayifly by night. I mean, ngokwazi kwami, according to my knowledge, after party yakhe yesibili ayenzayo, undiso over a decade. The event out of the closet has been happening eThekwini even before yabo iPride isekeyama nanokuma ingabe isenzeka. So yeah, so it's Battle of the Butchers. Kodwa, do you prefer umuntu osemkantshubovu noma omusha nokuthanda ukutrenda?
But nalo semkantshubovu at some point nje wayemusha and you guys believed in him.
I think
Yeah,
Yeah.
if you want an experience
Yeah.
like right, engezi ngokuthi hype because wayenza na last year ilonduzana, I think it was at Views. I wasn't impressed mangibona ithombe. Undisona, I mean, if wenza ama Pride, ama after party for wonke ama Pride. Beqeda ukwenza nje Pride for Cape Town Pride. So it's a Pride uyayenza. So ama packages akhe mayewenza uqhamuka even with accommodation, ukuthi uzoba nendawo yokulala, in transport uzoba nayo yini, amathikithi nan. So yes, now asise kwezakho asise kwezakho.
I'm all ears.
Siyani Butchi, awusinabela.
Okay, so if you haven't caught up, if you're not caught up with social media, Usian Butchi went a video telling people that she's making so much money to a point where the banks are questioning her ngokuthi imali yakho ithatha kuphi.
Yeah.
And so ngazathi uthe bamvalele ama accounts and she said she doesn't know or she doesn't think they should have done that, which is, I mean, banks are allowed to do that because
Yes.
if siku economy and
Yeah.
imali mele i-account mele sikwazi uyi-trace.
Yeah.
If you're making money, whether as a business or a personal tontoni,
Yeah.
you need to be able to account ukuthi ivela la imali, like cash flow. That's why I send the EMS esikolweni.
Yeah.
I-cash flow yakhamba kanjani, uyithole ephi imali, yahamba yaya la yabuya kanje. So if kunemali engenayo ebhenki lakho ongayazi na ukuthi iqhamuka but iyangena, then that's a problem because ivelaphi, iyathexwa yini zonke lezo zinto. So she said they were not supposed to do that.
Oh,
And they are allowed to
It
do
is quite
that.
questionable. She just bought a house worth
10 million rand.
yes, and then she announced early January ukuthi she's not taking any bookings for the rest of the year. I mean, okay.
So my bookings mungawathathi shuthi
Wazwa
income
busy
yakhe
bo.
iqhamukapi if
Iqhamuka kephi?
siyakwazi ukuthi you-entertainer or DJ nan.
To place yakhe bekukagiso the router.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Yes, that's why it's juicy. Now this is where it becomes juicy. Allegedly, apparently.
No, kodwa phela ngibonile ney'thombe nami. I did see even iy'thombe ukuthi vele they were in a relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ziningi izinto to prove that ukuthi bebekwi-relationship.
So mase kuboshwa lo munye useyagacela because angithi ube yi-receiver imali. So sekuthiwa phela uma ukuthi lo muntu simbophela ukuthi ube corrupt or
kodwa
ube fraud.
bejola shithi bemphi imali engakanani lezi ezingazi
Yeah, cause
And
ngathi
uthenga
ubejona
ukuthi
nanoma
10
who
million.
futhi ngathi ubejona noma who
Oh.
the guy. Yeah.
Shiwo njalo, yeah.
Because kuvele
Apparently
uMahu,
noSithelo
wavele uSian
Shozi.
Butchi, yeah,
Uvele
wavele uSithelo.
Thelo, yeah.
And guys, indaba okay, kushuthi kuthiwa vele mama uyi-blessed ugcina so-addicted to like to all the hot girls and just giving out money.
Yeah.
Because I mean, Sithelo Shozi naye, she knows, like she's known for dating. I love you, Sithelo, yazi ngithanda kabi. She's known for dating
She's known for
people
what?
with money.
Nami ngiyamthanda
No, she's
uSithelo,
she's known for dating.
uSithelo Shozi ave uma wengane ya-Andile.
Yeah.
Umohleli
Yeah,
naye.
kanti futhi
She's amazing.
Yeah, she's amazing. I love her so
Ooh.
much. Nozakhethelo shows usisi wakhe. Baby daddy wakhe uqala. Phela uyena lo that she was called out for dating. Baby daddy wakhe uqala. I think it's Bukhosi.
Yeah, it's something like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Ngoba Bukhosi Dlamini.
I'm not sure, but
Ubukhosi akusigama lengane? Noma umfana?
igama lengane ubani Bukhosini or something like that.
Oh, that's why I was
Angazi.
confused.
Yeah, because well, kushuthi ke siyakholwa
No,
ukuthi-
but uma ubheka le scandal lesi sona lesi esenzeka salo businessman uma ubheka sobafaka
The combos are
because phela manje njengoba nabo
Definitely.
ufreeze ama account I'm sure ukuthi ikhona
Ngoba
No,
uyi-beneficiary,
definitely,
yes. If
yes.
kuwukuthi imali uyithole kuyena and
Yeah.
he's arrested, then it means wena
now
directly
now.
ubenefitile ngoba so,
Basezoba enkingeni nje.
Kanalo
obviously.
basebenzisa nje
Yeah.
straight ukuyiclean imali because phela
yes,
ziningi ezinye
kuwashwa
izinto
ngabi imali.
bababhukhe
Eish.
nasemaklabhini uthole kokunye uzobhukhwa nje eklabhini anikwe i-payment engaka kanti ufuna ukudlulisa le mali ukuthi enyamnike ngale
Oh.
ukuze azokwazi ukuthi asho ukuthi imali
ziningi indlela abantu abaklina ngayo imali yabo njena indlela ye-match and match. Jacinta was just saying ukuthi yena uxakeke nje umuntu odayisa osuku odayisa ini kodwa lo muntu lona uhlala kephi emdloti uhamba nge-Range Rover
une-internet cafe and isiprinta ngama-R5
ngama-5
how many customers do you have to have in a day
Ukuthi-
ungazo-afford umuzi wasemdloti
Yeah.
and then bese kwaphosta ne-rent uyala ezinye zey'tolo lezi zela it was 66,000. I mean
Imagine.
udayisa idixuti won't make you 66,000 a month. Then what are you making? Petrol wakho yini uphila kanjani? Yeah. Yeah.
yangani phela
Imali-
suke kufakwa yona le
unzima nje ukufika lapho.
Rainbow.
Kama
Yeah.
sebefaka yona le mali eseceleni yabo phela into abenza ngayo bona labantwana vele le mali isuke illegal
Yeah.
and uthola ukuthi ucash
Mhm.
so udinga something ekuzothiwa ongeke ukwazi futhi ukuyi-count
Yeah.
so manje uma ngidayisa sethi ngiyaprinta akekho umuntu ozongitshela ukuthi akufika ngabantu abawu-2000 bazoprinta yabo ngisho ngathiwa kufike i-5
Yeah,
mina ngizothi
ngeke.
lapha phansi
fika abawu-2000
bakhipha
bakhipha o-R5 bonke labo o-R5 mawubabala bakhanda u-66,000 we-rent
so uqedile lapho isiklini into yakho
Yeah.
ngangifuni nami ngangihlezi ngithi ongake ngithola umuntu ozolondarisha ngami imali but now watching imadlanga I'm like oh God I take that back I withdraw
Ungayifundi nje le yadi.
Yeah, ngiyabonga, sayifuna.
Imali impande
Ngiyabonga.
yesono, imali impande yesono guys because I mean abanye abantu they go as far as ukuthwala abasike sizwe nje khona abantu abahlezi besola ngokuthwala so manje ngize ngisabe ngisho like with having relationships with people because hawe umuntu onemali awusazi ukuthi yena uthweleke yini noma akathwele yini because like abantu izinto esizwayo nezinto esiyibona even on social media. I mean there was a girl that was calling out someone ethi mina nathwala kini kanje and then you meet people every day and then umuntu bese ethi yena wathwala lo then bese uyaxayana indlela uyambona indlela enza ngayo izinto ukuthi they're very quite different. Mhlawumbe akakushaking ngesandla saka right yena ukushaka ngesaka
That is
left.
true, but you can see abantu abathwalile indlela ababehave ngayo. They have certain behavior.
Like iyahluka nje indlela.
ukuthi awunaki make sense
Yeah.
ubona uma usuhleli usurealize
Yeah,
ukuthi
usuna
hhayi.
sewuhleli nabo ukuthi this one.
Ngokubuka kwenu iliphi drug edliwa kakhulu la eThekwini?
Intashi sathi ngokubuka kwethu
Ngoba phela kudala kakuwumgwinya.
yeah times have changed I don't know,
Yeah.
I don't even know ukuthi sifike kanjani lo switch up yokuthi from umgwinyo until like how did umgwinyo fall off
Okay, I think because I was around that time. Yeah, khona omunye nje akuthiwa music and I have
Mercedes.
friends. Yes, I have friends abashona nje because because of
It
that.
was
2015, 16.
Yo, bashona
Yeah,
kakhulu abantu.
Yeah,
guys.
ngiyabazi nje abaningi abashona that I was friends with. Sisaba nabo 101. I think abantu bese basaba ke ukushuthi manje bese bayela kwi.
so isikhundleni sokuthi bawayiyeka ama-drugs bachuza
Yeah.
cash
Yeah.
But
Because-
because leya angisho akuthiwa ilento yamahash inhliziyo yayenza ibibitha.
No, like ube naleyo yabo because I used to take it as well. Umgwinya.
Nami I think ngayithatha kayi.
Yeah. So
Umgwinyo.
because kodwa angithi masugwinya uba hyper, right? Nakhona uba hyper. So uma usujwayela ukuphuza utshwala usuzogwinye
Ugwinye uphuze
uzohlezi
utshwala.
uzogwinya ngoba uma usuzophuza utshwala kuphela uzodakwa kakhulu uyalala awusafuni ukulala uzohlezi uphuza
Ufuna
so
ukube
now
life of the
umgwinya
past.
wasatholakala uyabuza ukuthi yini enziwayo okay
But
intashi
intashi ngathi ayilalisa nje.
nje
Because
ngithi
bangahlala abantu bentashi
Abalali.
bangahlala from siphume egrovini siyohlala
Mhm.
kushaye u6 ekuseni kushaye u7
Yeah.
kushaye
Kushaye
imini
u12 emini,
yonke
Yeah.
kushaye
abalali.
u3 abakalali abantu
Yeah.
still basabhema la.
Yeah, there was a time when I used to work for One Wednesdays. Mina, I would party from a Wednesday, like from Wednesday, and One Wednesdays, feeling 7 improving, right? And then Thursday, I'm having a reach. Yabo nje ukuthi
Awengeka last egagas lo.
Yabo-
Wawuvele uzoba nenkinga
Wawuvele nenkinga.
ngisho kuthiwa umoshanga at that time wawuvele uzoba nenkinga later on
Yabo nje ukuthi say One Wednesdays, okay.
Ngiyajova phela ngisho.
Ngasho okay, no. Sekuyiwa ke kuyiwa kaba, kuyiwa emzini kaba. Yabo phela
And you know
kanjalo.
the
Morning
feeling yokuba
bag.
lapho ukuthi yazini kwale red yangibambezela
kuyiwa
njengamanje.
kasibanibani hambe uyoshaya after party khona nihlale khona and then bese kuthiwa ngo6 manje sekuhambe kuyodropa ugeza khona la hambe kuyodropa siyoshintsha sekuye rich kuyakhruva
Kuyohlala endlini futhi.
kuyahamba futhi yabo ukuthi lesingaki sekulihlanu bese ngiyabona ukuthi manje yabo manje sengikhathele kuyilontusana sengikhathele amaclub asedrobheni sengifuna ukuya elokishini ngolesihlanu hambe elokishini gqobanga ngolontusana ngolesihlanu
London.
ngigroove Saturday ngigroove Sunday ngibuya sengikhoxukile ngithe ngiyolala endlini ngicela ukuthi ngiya-recover for Wednesday.
But London was nice, guys.
Never been. I
Angigwinyi,
think
but
overwhelmed
That place was nice.
In
London,
London.
yo,
London.
yeah, was nice.
London, London was one of the, like my
It's
favorite
Ivaliwe nini
places.
ndaba nikhuluma past tense.
Well,
Seyivaliwe.
Yeah, ngoba seke bavula.
Really?
seke
Ivalwe
bavula-
nini?
yeah,
I'm
seke-
so left behind.
Don't just have a because yilanga
Last
sacela
year
khona
bebekhona nje
ukubuya.
ukuphatha
Yeah.
Mgilane.
Gone.
No, bengengi.
Indaba
I
ngibeke
don't
ku-
think iyang-overwhelm igcwala kakhulu.
No, they had i-Mogodu. I mean, they had like my buffet Mondays on Mondays where it's just like kudla kuyadliwa.
Khona
Yeah.
Oh, I
London-
didn't know that part. Ngoba mina
Yeah.
iLondon ngiyaze
Hayi,
ngephatha
nami-
Mgilane.
hayi,
So
hayi,
njalo
hayi,
mengibona amavidiyo
hayi,
aseLondon
mina
ngibona
nami ngazi nje kuGroove,
uvalwe
angikaze
ngomuntu
ngiba-
omnyama. So that's how I decided I would never go there because baningi kakhulu abantu. I think ngingasindelwa.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
bengazi. But if I knew ukuthi badayisa ukudla then I would have went.
Basekunakwana laphayana like nobody's minding business nomuntu.
Yeah, nje,
Like
it's pity-
kumnandi siphithiphithi nje omnye bayiphithizelela nje. Kuyagqoma yonke into kuyaphuzwa.
Yeah, I
yabo.
think overwhelmed ngokubona abantu abangaka endaweni eyodwa at the same time. That thought of just ngisho kuthiwa sikhulumisani. That thought of just seeing so many people in the same place. For example, last year I went to the Durban Music Fest, Kuri Cross. Angithanda indawo egcwele kakhulu,
I
akugcwale
think
but
abawuphuzi
not that
ingane.
much. Maybe, ne?
Yeah, oh,
'Cause
God,
manje-
awukwazi
uphuza.
ukuphuza.
No, I have. I'm coming back to that. I have. But lapha kwi cross kwakugcwele emabhida yezo. Now I'm thinking ayingeke ngiyabuka ukuthi mase kuhanjwa la ebusuku mase sekuphela umcimbi. So but inkinga cause we are all using the same exits points. Ngahamba recross lo ngangimzele ngingambonanga cause I decided angiphume manje ungakagcwali egate ngoba angiyithandi into ene crowd nesiphithi ngizokuthiwa ngiyobuka ibhola. Ngiyashesha ukuphuma eground ni goal lokugcina lezongena ngilizwa sengingaphandle
Yeah.
ukuthi bese ngichecka online ukuthi obaba korili angikufundi ukuphuma kanye nabantu
Angikani
endaweni
ngoba
angiyithandi
uphuzi,
isiphithiphithi
Utshwala
massive.
wabiyekelani?
My last hangover was hell and I told myself I never ever want to feel like this again.
Wow.
Angangafuni ngisho ukufind out ukuthi ngiguliswe utshwala noma ihappily noma inhloboni yatshwala. I was just like the fact that ngigule ngalendlela engigule ngakhona enenganyanyiswa ukuthi ngagula ngingekho ngasekhaya ngangivakashile ngangiyekwi event kwenye indawo. Ngimuhleni ngizele iweekend ngikhinde ibhadi ngifresh isicefe suns out thighs out. Ngifuna ukubona abafana ke uyangazi.
Ma.
Ngagula.
Kodwa nami, okay.
Bayangincoma kabafana kuthiwa wazi wamuhle imilenze yakho angikwazi nokupensa ngishaye turn around ngithi 360 because ngiyagula. Ngithi ngidla ukudla kuyabuya
Kuyabuya.
ngiphuza amanzi ayabuya.
Yebo.
Ngithi yonke into engiyenza
Wawathi
ngifamily
uphuzeni.
cabanga ama brutal fruits awu2 ama can and then eli1 angiqedanga so shoot 2.5 I think kwakumzambia.
Oh my God.
But that's what I'm saying ukuthi I didn't even want to find out and confirm ukuthi bekuwona ngempela yini. The fact that I was that sick from ama brutal fruits awu2 wasekenini.
Kakhulu, oh.
mhlawumbe akekho umuntu okuspike mhlawumbe
Mhlawumbe umuntu akufakela yona no ways.
Angazi ngenzeka ukuthi khona wangispike but that's what I'm saying ukuthi angifunanga ngisho find out. I just decided ukuthi I never ever want to feel like this ever again. And vele ngase nginawo ukumkhubo ukuthi ngiguliswa utshwala ngiphuza ngithi wazi mawuphuza utshwala you stick to this uyazazi okay ngiphuza savana so makufika obani bani
futhi brutal fruits.
but bengiphuza yona ngiphatha kahle ngi right nayo kwaya ngahlisa yonke into qala ngehlisa ngathi okay angisaphuzi hot liquor anything edishwayo angisayiphuzi because yangigulisa ngayiyeka okay kwaya iwayini nalo hawu angisaliphuzi futhi iwayini jikijiki sengiphuza ama cider wodwa ke manje
Wow.
but now ama cider sengigulisa then that brutal food thingy was my final straw. I was just like maybe this is my body telling me ukuthi we are outgrowing utshwala this side wena unenkani. So I don't know if I was spiked or it was fake alcohol or what but I just decided whatever it is I never want to go through it again and I never went through it again.
Ngangiphatha.
That nami ngiyafisa.
Ngabe ngigijima nge-Range Rover manje mina.
Kwenza njani uma ufika endaweni ke nje ngoba phela you also do go kude kulezi indawo
Ngiyayithanda igroove yo ngiyahamba.
usuke groove nje usopa noma
You know what I realized? Ekhaba behlale bengitshela lento but uma specifically oh guys our parents are right about everything we are just stubborn. Mom,
Yeah.
you were right. I was wrong. I'm sorry. Uma wayehlale esho ngisaphuza my mom hates alcohol ngithi zakhe yonke. She doesn't drink. She's never drank a day in her life. She married a man that doesn't drink as well. So she always asked me ukuthi ngoba mina nobaba wakhe asiphuza utshwala. Wena ufunde iphi utshwayelele kuphi?
Yeah.
Like awukwazi uvula ifridge ufica ubhiya noma isavana. So umkhuba ukuphuza utshwala uthathaphi. So futhi umzali sine utshwala ubudingi you can have fun without drinking alcohol. Ngibona ukuthi uyangibambezela lo game uyangijelasa. Unamanga ngifanyani ngingaphuzi ngoba ifani ihamba no alcohol you know but when I stopped drinking I realized she was right. I've got a big personality ngiyaphapha
Yes, that
abantu
is true.
angibasabi
Yeah, that is
i-social
true.
anxiety iyona esaba mina
Mm.
so ikahle kahle I didn't need utshwala ever in my life but
Hhayi,
because of
mina
i-peer
ngiyakwazi.
pressure ke nani umuntu waphuza
Ngisurvive eklapini ngingaphuzile.
but now that I'm not drinking, I'm realizing ukuthi ukube if I knew back then what I know now, I would have never touched alcohol in my life. Ngoba nakha ngiphuzi and ngiye groove ngibe life of the party. Uyitshela ukuthi ngidakiwe. Yabo, ngize ngibizwe sometimes wasifuna ukuchilla nawe enjoy your company.
Yeah.
Kubiza umuntu uzogcina nje udash wenu, ngizoniqethela nje idash but ngilandiwe for wherever la ngilandwe khona ukuthi ngizohlala nanje ngini entertain because I'm vibey and you know. So ngirealize sengibiyekile utshwala ukuthi ipersonality yami ayibudingi utshwala ngangiphapha nje ukuthanda izinto nokuhamba nomoya yonke indawo abangani mabenza lokhu nawe ufuna uba nokuba cool ukuthi awuphosi you know but ngiyabona manje ukuthi hayi kwakumele nje ngingaqali because angibudingi so to answer your question mengifike groove ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngibe right ngingabhoreki ngibe mina because personality yami vele is loud and it's big but the only thing emele uyazi ngami ke ezokubhora ke now that I don't drink ngiyashesha ke nje ukucikeka yabo so angeke ngihlale groove until midnight ngisho kuthiwa ngihamba nobani
ngiyakhumbula upostile uthi e-morning bank next location awuyithayi
ngihambi ngi-second location ngilapho ke ngisawupha
Shoot kwesithathu ke kuyoba njani ke?
akayi ngisho nakweyesibili
Guys,
uma sekuthiwa ukuthi uveta cross abaleke
listen, let me tell you, a second location only makes sense when you're drunk because
Yes,
usuke excited,
usafuna-
happy,
usafuna
and
leyo
umzimba
nto.
usafuna the
Igazi
vibe.
liyashisa,
You know,
lisafuna leya
I'm sober. Ngiyaphi lapho ngiyobuka abantu abaphuzayo. Ngiyazela mina manje sengikhathele kade ngiphuza.
how long
kade
has it
ngihleli
been
nani.
how long has it been since wayeke utshwala
Ngibike 2022, so 2023,
nto.
4, 5, 26,
Wow.
4 years.
wow that's really amazing
And I've gotten to a point where ngisabukhaleli noma ungabeka
Wow.
kuphi kwetafuna noma ungabeka wena liphutha futhi ngangithanda ngizozibukela nkosi yami nje sengadlula nje sengiright angibudingi.
I'm very much like because like I'm on a journey because I told you I'm going to rehab, right? So I needed to hear that. Ngoba ngiyacabanga yabo nje lezi zinto lezoyishoyo umzali wayekutshela.
Yes,
Same
they
thing
were
with
right.
me.
And we're just like me when we are papa, awudingi utshwala ngoba abantu awubanqeni even sober. So you can actually rock up a groove sober minded beyitshela ukuthi uphuze njengabo and
Yeah.
still have the same amount of fun they are having. Umehluko ukuthi ekseni makuvukwa ufresh,
Ngifresh.
awunama regrets, akunamuntu omfonelile
Yeah.
ebengamele
Ibhenki
umfonele.
Yeah.
Ibhenk igcwele,
Yeah.
akunamali yerent oyidlile, awukhathele, awunapapalazi, akusho ukuthi uphalaza. Like awunalutho but you had the same amount of fun njengabo. Okay, mina ukuthi second location angiki, ngiyasala emuva. But uma ngase kuthiwa wena uyahamba na second location, you still have the same amount of fun. Mina ngiyashesha ukuzela manje ngoba ngisaphuzi so angeke ngikwazi vele kuya second location ngiyowenzani ngiyozela lapha and ngiba strict ngoba ngasaphuzi ngiyagadana so abantu abapackaging babehamba nami. So nje ngiyonimoshela nefan ngoba manje umfana uzothi uthi ngithi yey miyeke umthintelani yabo. So vele hambani ku second location ngisale ngoba vele mengiya lapho ngifike ngiyonimoshela iparty nje kuzobe iparty
Yeah.
iphupha. So okungcono ngayi mina by midnight I want to be in my bed, I want to drink my coffee, I get into my bed ngibe warm ngigeze ngilale and indawo ye-groove ngabudayisa i-coffee iyanginyanyisa and I understand ngoba phela badayisa utshwala but unofika
No,
endaweni
but fanele ukuthi
kuyabanda.
coffee fanele ukuthi ulidayise abantu they need coffee sometimes to sober up.
Abalidayisi because even
Okay.
even the
Abalidayisi.
places that sell coffee during the day bakutshela ukuthi ngalesi thina ibarista ihambile icimile imishini into engakuzama ngayo nje amanzi ashisayo uma ukuthi uyagodola. Kuyabanda liyabantu
Athi flask ke nana.
futhi
Guys,
phela
yabo
ke.
nje manje umhlaba esiphila kuwona it's really really bad because I mean like sivika uMzambia sivika intashi
Nizoshona ngintshele mina.
sivika ini
Nizobhubha-ke
ini.
ngixoxele mina.
eMzambia mningi kakhulu.
Mningi bra
Niyamixa na-vaccinate abaya prevent abanye niphuza umzambia.
Vaccinate wena?
Oh, never.
I also
Nidla
didn't
ama-drugs.
vaccinate.
Never
Nizo-
did not.
Khona i-screenshot
Like I've
esengeke
always been like so ashamed to say that I didn't vaccinate. Kodwa nje manje
No, I
ngoba-
didn't.
Ngoba ngibona abantu angavaccinatanga ngavaccinatanga.
Vaccinate
Hamba
anga.
nje
Oh,
ngakotela.
hhayi ngeke.
But imagine
I was scared.
uvaccinatile
Oh.
kuma-contraceptives udla intashi
Oh, oh.
uphuza utshwala inkantini uyafika
Implant sengiyikhiphile
drink
kangcono.
oh come on ama-energy drink awulali guys nizobhoma uzothi uhlele kwi-meeting emsebenzini umzimba uthi khaxa i-screenshot kube ukushona kwakho
Yeah.
Yes.
So like okay guys yabonga indaba yentasho okay asikhuluma indaba eMzambia and then indaba yentasho right indaba yentasho ngithanda ukuthi yena isigxileke kakhulu because iyangithinta mina personally right I'm not sure if you guys have because kuleya live yami I was live on Sunday ngikhuluma ukuthi yena intasho kanje so ngangifuna ukuthi abantu bangitshele ukuthi yena what to expect in rehab like if you know anyone osekwaye rehab what to expect abantu abafuna ungitshela ukuthi yena okay fanele ngi-expect in rehab someone would just fire saying but ucabanga isibhedlela ucabanga ijele kasi mina bra I like, okay, here's what guys, indaba yami of going to rehab and substance abuse, it's so deep because abantu bangacabanga ukuthi yena it's just like izinto, it's just like relationships and jobs kuphela, but izinto ey'thinta mina personally, I've hallucinated saying ngahlanya, like for that like particular time, isandla sami lesi asiqondi, ngalimala esibuzi lounge. I was just so high, ngicabanga ukuthi abantu bayangilandela. Ngicabanga ukuthi
Yo, your
abantu
life is such
bayangijaha.
a movie. man.
Yes,
Like,
ngicabanga ukuthi abantu
Ufuna ukubhala incwadi.
Ngicabanga
No, film.
ngicabanga ukuthi abantu bangijaha, ngasuke esibuzi lounge stairs ngaxhuma ngaya
And
phansi.
akekho kujahayo.
And then phela babengijaha, but I had like nganginamandla.
Bekhona yini bona
Eh,
le?
so my hand dislocated, my bone dislocated. So I was in hospital for like 2 weeks.
But at least
Bezama
abaskhiphanga.
ukulocate at least and abangihlinzanga.
Mm.
So khona isitori samketule who's a Maskandi artist that's benza ama live ethi khona abantu ababonayo kanje abantu engathi bayamlandela in. I'm not saying umketule was on drugs because abanye bathene uthakathiwe, abanye
Mhlawumbe izinto
bathini, abanye
zesintu.
bathini, abanye besintu kodwa uthe uSama Jobe, shout out to Sama Jobe, I love what you're doing. uSama Jobe uthe mayese esehlala naye inaba nendaba eseyichaza ukuthi yena oh naye sekwabona. Yes,
Samncane
uyena lo
ngokubaba.
mketule. Yeah. So uthi so uyachaza ukuthi yena uyabona lento le ihleliwe and yabona even ku Facebook wakhe so ayithi kubona mawuse kwi location uBolt la ungekho khona ukuthi kuzoba grey uzokhomisa ukuthi imoto azikho. So yena uzo upload ne screenshot wathi yena uyabona mangithi babethi bazama ngilanda ukuthi kwenzakalani. And then we say police station warden police station iphoyisa liyakhuluma kuthiwa sikhuluma nabantu abasezomlanda. Uthi yena bayihlelile lento labantu bayeza bezongilanda kuthiwe bemisa nanabantu. Yes.
Can I please see the video? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Mm.
can you read it?
Okay, so Warden police positively confirmed that Funele Mketule Mdlalose, who's 30, previously reported missing, has been found at a local hospital. It was reported that he was struck by a vehicle on the N3. A case of reckless and negligent driving is being investigated. Initial statement, ET. Okay, this happened on Sunday, the 19th of April, 2026, at about 9:10 ebusuku. He was last seen on a Facebook live video while he was at the Warden police station, indicating that people are following him and his life is in danger. It's further alleged that Mdlalosa was dropped off by a taxi in Warden town and found his way to Warden police station.
Wacela ukwehliswa because wayefile ngathi abantu eTexini kwakhona abantu abamlandelayo and
Abamlandelayo.
khona nezinye imoto ezimlandelayo. So mina those signs are signs of hallucinating.
Because it's a
nami-
familiar thing
Yeah,
with you.
kumina nje I've had yabo abantu abaclose nami umndeni wami nani they've seen that and bayasho ukuthi it's very scary.
Imantoka akatholakali namanje namhlanje ingakhi 20.
No, utholakala ngithi. Akatholakali.
The post was 19 hours ago.
So usesibhedlela.
I don't know.
Ayithi basho njalo nje.
No, abasho negcine ethi akatholakala.
Oh basho akatholakali.
Yangigcine nami kuthiwa akatholakala ngithi usafuna.
Yeah. So back to the
Kuthiwa egcina ukulahleka the previously bamthole esibhedlela. But usephinde walahleka game
abakamboni.
abakamboni.
Uyabona.
Abagcina ukumbona bathi ugcina ukwehliswa itaxi leyo ishoyo wena. And then so he found his way back to Angeg, and he found his way to Warden police station.
Ilive enza khona ilive.
But azange aphinde sabonakala.
Nakhona amaphoyisa athi amaphoyisa uthola umuntu ozomlanda uthi nami yabo ihleliwe lento le in abantu bethi bazomlanda bese kuqede lapha upload screenshots sa Bolt ezibukana uBolt wenze njani. Shuthi yena uthi shuthi lawo bantu labo mhlawumbe bazama ukumisa uBolt because into ugcina usuyibeliever yabo ugcina
Ngoba
usuyibeliever.
ungalandelwa kanjani eTexini? Asike sithi
Ayi,
uzoyibona
doesn't
kanjani
make
imoto
sense,
ekulandelayo
eh.
useTexini? Wazi ngani ukuthi le moto ilandela wena?
uthi nabantu bagibelile nabakhona naseTexini.
Ngeke.
Like uyayibona into yabo nje nami
Hayi ke.
mina yabo nje uma angakutshela umana nogogo ekhaya bayasho ukuthi nami mina ngesikhathi when I was like because manje I'm just trying to move away from that but ibingenze bekuyinto engenzayo ukuthi ngiyahayiza ngiyabaleka ngiyacasha ngifika into engayazi people like ama-signs hallucinator lawo. I'm not insinuating anything about what's happening with umketula, but sengiyasho ukuthi na
It
abanye
looks
bayibheka
familiar
izinto-
ngoba
bayibheka
But I
izinto
love
ezikanjalo.
unrelated. I love how you are not ashamed of how my mistakes are. Like you own up to
Yeah,
all of your
kakhulu.
mistakes and you're not afraid to talk about them. I think it's a great thing. Ngoba
brave.
He's very brave. Usually we are ashamed of the things we've done in our
Yeah,
past.
yeah.
Especially
Uyazazi
ukhipha
ukuthi
nje
sekwaba
lapha.
wrong, but you'll never publicly
Yeah.
admit it. So
Yeah.
for you to come on a podcast, uzokhuluma kanje,
Mm.
wazi ukuthi you'll still face public
Yeah.
scrutiny.
Yeah, but-
I think you've got balls.
I think another reason why speaking like more about this is I mean yabona ngoba ngilo ngi-challenge kanje even with the people abasemaceleni bayasho ukuthi hayibo Sendi makwenzeka uphinde ubuyela ngithi mina ngifuna ukuthi ngicabange zonke lezi zinto lezi engizenzile mase kuthiwa nje ngicabanga ukuthi ngicabange zonke lezi zinto engizenzile ukuthi hayibo lesilima zesilima lesi ade sabhala sakhala ngokuthi siyayeka sa-organizela ukuthi sihambe se-rehab because shout out to Khanyo Makhathini yang-organizela ukuthi ngihambe
But you
ngiye-rehab.
know ukuthi kuzowazalani manje mawuzo i-rehab
Mm.
i-rehab izokushintsha kakhulu because
Yes.
they don't want you ukuthi uphinde ube next to labo bantu laba abenza leyo nto
Yes.
because you get tempted yabo.
Because that's what I want
Yeah, so
nami.
now
That's what I want.
i-scheme kuzomele ushintshe for you
Yes.
in order for you ukuthi ukwazi ukuphuma kuyona.
Like already nje like
Mm.
my circle is just so small, like I'm always home with those sisibami and manje I think angazi sekwenzakalani angisathandi ngisho nanokuya kuma-events. Angisathanda nokuya kuma-events because kuyahletshwa ke intatheli and nami as much as ngangihlezi ngiskini but mangigagamathela bethi mna uma wazoncipha and nalokho futhi drugs also bayadlala indima kulokho so nalokho nje
Because anidla idlisi
ayidlisi awudli ngihambe ngisho 4 days uthole ukuthi angidli so nakuhamba ama-events nje sekuyangicika uthole ukuthi manje abangani bami
Ngoba we
uthole
talk
ukuthi
of the
events,
town. la.
angisafuni nanokuya kwi-event ngincamela ukuthi ngenze i-giveaway by the way I'll be doing a giveaway ama-tickets ahlikahlika kodwa nje indaba yokuthi ngihambe ngiye kuma-events sengiyayinqena I think nalokho kuyangisiza futhi okay ngihlezi ngihlale nosisi bami uma ngiye-rehab i-purpose yami ukuthi kungene la kumina because yabo nje for the past 2 weeks they were very difficult because angithi angenzi manje so makushaya i-weekend kuba nalokho phela ukuthi hawe ma ngiyadinga-ke manje
Ngiyayifuna
but
ke
it was
manje.
very difficult because that's why sengijahile ukuthi ngihambe but it's just like such a long process
How do you
ngoba
then deal with the craving when it kicks? Now that you're trying to stop.
give it like I just need to be busy. I just need to be busy.
Oh,
Give it
iya
busy.
uzuyiqalekele kanti
Yabo ngoba ngisho ngithi
kanti,
ngoba ngisho ngithi
hayi,
Friday
mina bekisihlebe bayenza ngoba bafuna ukuthi mabephuma beklabhini
No,
No.
uyenza mhlambe ibe get
away
away uqala
Mina-
kanjalo but kuye
mina-
kuye umzimba ujwayele. Fana
bese soyifuna njengogwayi.
yes.
Yeah.
Ah, sorry my child.
mina
Uyabazi abantu aba-addicted to i-grandpa ncancane ufuna uphuza
Eh.
ncancane ufuna uphuza i-coffee
Yeah.
ngoba umzimba is addicted
Yeah.
ncancane ufuna ukudla ushukela because umzimba is addicted to the sugar
Yeah.
uze umuntu uhleliwe njengonakele lutho oh ngihalela nje
Ngihayeleki uyihalela ngoba soyifakile.
Ah,
Kodwa
No,
mase
lutho.
uyekile wahamba.
No,
Yes,
it's-
kuyifuna
yabo
kabi.
yabo yasikwenzakalani yabo let's say yabo nje uLesihlanu yabo ngoba weekend approach ngangistraglishana so ngangigwema ukuthi mhlawumbe ngibheme insango ngingafuni kugroup ngibheme insango ngichiphize ifoni yami ngicime ngilale in because I mean I've been doing this since
For
2014
years.
yabo and it's become like uniform
second
ukuthi
nature
ngiyazi ukuthi nje Friday ngiyabhema ngiyaphuza iskimi ngizohlala nasobani ngoba phela lento leqiniso ukwenza nanosikhotheni I posted something on Facebook yesterday ngisho ukuthi yena intasha abantu bentasha bayibona ukuthi yena bayi-VIP section yabantu ababedla ama-drugs kanti yonke yabo nje because mina ngiyibhemile a lot yabo so ngiyawazi wonke ngisho umqondo womuntu yabo nje kuleya live yami kwavede wafona omunye umngani wami ngathi mina ngiyazazi-ke lezi ngathi okay mfethu ngizokwenza njalo ngizazi ukuthi yabo leso angifayele u-50
oh
Yabo
so
lezi-
ufuna
Yeah,
ukwenza
uthi
njalo
Yeah, even
Eh,
also
ufuna
ufuna imali
ukuhlanganisa.
serious umuntu
Eh.
sometimes serious
Eh.
yabo.
Yabo,
They always ask for money.
ne
and ngekahle zeyicela if uhlezi umgapha uthi nawo nayo at some point uzoqala
The thing,
ukukutshontshela
guys,
Eh.
as much as sibona ama-prize ayo sitshele ukuthi ayibizi njengamakhokhina amakhulu the thing mosoyibuka because bazo incane bazoyidla bazothenga ngale imali mosothi uyayibheka in a week or
imali
a month.
ogibela oh
and
Lalela,
awuyithandi
athi not imali yokugibela imali yokwakha
and
Ngiyakutshela.
awuyithandi guys ngoba yabona
Imali
phela
yokwakha umuzi.
sisherisha iy'tro
Mm.
yabo sisherisha iy'tro
So many infections engangicabanga nje
yeah,
yabona nje,
TB.
oh.
yeah sisherisha iy'tro the reason why I had to be tested for a TB is because ngayithola i-TB last year because of yona yabo so ngatreatwa yabo ngatreatwa cela ukutshela ukuthi it was so bad ngale ndlela ukuthi even ngithatha i-treatment ye-TB kodwa ngangiyenza kodwa ngiyenza ngendlela awucabanga ukuthi uvele ucabanga ukuthi no phela ngeke kwenzeke phela uyayikhohlisa ngendlela omunye umuntu umbona eyisilima
because nifaka straight
Eh,
ekhaleni nakuwena kuba
omunye
la
umuntu
bheki
umbona
wakho
eyisilima
nohlelo,
ucabanga ukuthi
ish,
utansweni abantu they got so offended and uyazi ukuthi yonke le ma-post layo ngilokhu engikwenza lento le iba yi-survey in a way uyabona ukuthi how many people are so much affected by this and uyabona
Yena in
ukuthi
denial.
nabantu that are
Oh,
in denial
so umuntu odla
Denial.
ungakhohlwa umnesi umuntu osebenze kahle
yebo
nangubhizi nje kulento le I'm like
Na in
hayibo
denial.
and ama-professionals yazi ukuthi khona nathi umuntu ebesikhuluma ngale nto ekhala ngakho ukuthi emaphoyiseni mhlawumpe manje 80%
Yes.
ometro la eThekwini
Yeah.
mhlawumpe 70%.
I would attest to
Yabo
that
nje othisha ngisho othisha ey'koleni abafundisa
Yes.
iy'ngane ke
Onesi.
manje babhizi nayo.
onesi mina nje baningi
Yabo.
onesi engibazi I was just saying ngithi mina hey yabo
Nothisha.
abantu bavele bayikhohlisa ngokuthi
Mm.
onesi phela it's the health workers
But
abantu
uthisha
bathi
uzizwa
hayi onesi
kanjani
mayenza
uma ufundisa
hayi onesi
izingane
mayenza
ngama-drugs?
hayi ngeke kusho ukuthi phela ngikho bad kakhulu onesi mayenza phela uyena nje usonhlala kahle owezempilo awukho bad mhlawumbe uzongilapha besikim sakho unesi
uyatituzeka
hawu
I think isayi-wave nayo yabo uma uyibheka njengamanje.
But
I
it's
think
been a
i-wave-
wave.
Ayi ngeke kodwa
It's been,
yabo
it's
manje-
been, it's been for
Eh,
mina
eh,
guys
mhlawumbe for
no
how
kodwa
long?
manje phela yabo manje yabo kudala
Mm.
kakwazi ukuthi yena okay uthole edrobheni
Mm.
kamashu mhlawumbe indawo iyodwa nami njengaleso sikhathi eyodwa indawo engangiyithola
Mm.
uyothola khona kamashu yabo manje ngasekhaya it's like a fashion and hlezi ngitshela abantu bavele cabanga ukuthi nginomona
Mm.
ngibatshele ngithi mina uyazi ukuthi mina guys angisafuni kodwa yabo indlela and manje indlela abantu angisho ukuthi babuka thina ukuthi babesivumile
Mm.
uthi
and
ayisendwe
abasayifili
uyabheka
uyabona
uvunyiwe
uyongena eclubini
usende uvunyiwe uthi usende uyabheka
just ask
kanti
me
awazi
ukuthi
ukuthi
Natasha,
uyayilimaza
do
wena
you see me as someone oyenzayo lento le andisakwazi nokubona umuntu ongayenzi umuntu oyenzayo kusho sekuyifashion nje kubona one of my friend from Joburg waze wathuka wathi oh yazi eThekwini nje ngiyayibona lento ukuthi ngathi
Mina ngikhule ngazi ukuthi
bayayifila
mina ngikhule ngazi ukuthi even ukubhema ugwayi you go ngemva kwendlu or something uyobhemela khona yabo izinto enjalo because that's how discreet we used to be about things manje ngawunqena ungena kwi-live umfica umuntu kwi-live
Angeke, guys.
yeah because I mean like yabo labantu laba sebengene kuyona manje basasha ikhwama shuthi yababona nathi I think abantu shuthi ama-groovist noma ini shuthi nabayibona ukuthi hayibo usendi awuhamba nobana shuthi nabo sebezivuma bafuna ukuthi oh nathi sifuna ukufika to that level but thina sesila ukuthi hayibo uyazi uma ungaqali guys ngicela ukuthi ngibuka I'm very serious about this uma ukuthi awukaqali manje
stay away from
ungabe
drugs
usaqala
kids stay
because
away
akukho lula ukuthi uyeke
Mm.
uyazitshela ukuthi uyafuna ukuyeka kungayekeki kulokhu uzama buka thina ingqothofu sesiye ema-rehab manje
and kusangenza not to be negative or to dim your lights but
Mm.
expect ukuthi kusangenzeka urelapse because
relapse
iyona nto like
Yeah.
it's normal you've done it you've been on these drugs for years
over a decade
kunzima ukuthi ungavele namhlanje umzimba usujwayezile mase uthele
Yeah.
emzimbeni hayi
Yeah.
sesiyayeka it doesn't always work like that
Yeah,
so
and-
expect nalokho ukuthi usazorelapsa
Yeah.
bekukhumbuza abantu ukuthi yakhumbula sakutshela
ingakho
phinde
nje,
uyeke uphinde
ingakho-
Kodwa kushuthi ngayeke ngoba uma ukwazi ukuhlala a day ngaphandle kwayo you can unlike cigarettes like mina
no
ngismoker,
you
I
can
can't
stay a day you can stay a
You
day
can.
but
You
it's a
can-
matter
then you
of
can still stop
groove
then.
groove
Stop
ukubona
the groove
umphuzo
there, yeke
ukubona
groove.
kugroove ukubona umphuzo ukubona abantu wakhona kuyaqalekisa uyazi ukuthi into yabo yona uma usudecide ukuthi uyayithenga isisu siyaluma abantu abayibhemayo nje isisu siyaluma nje immediately noma uphise toilet abantu abayibhemayo nje intasha isisu vete siluma usayoyithenga siyaluma nje
ukuluma
isisu.
kwesisi iyona
It's the
craving
thoughts. It's the thought ukuthi yena oh ma it's coming you just can't wait. Kanjalo impatient ufuna ukuthi noma ukuthi undize. Yabo nje ngoba
So how's the feeling yayo ukudakwa nokuba hide
okay yabo nje mangiphuza utshwala kuphela ngiba ne-blackout mangiphuza utshwala kuphela ngiba ne-blackout like ngingakhumbuli lutho ngazi like ngiba i-mess ngenza izinto engazazi kodwa uma uthothi ngiphuza insango ngibhemile futhi kuzobe ukuthi yena like ngizoba wash kakhulu
uyahleka
but masulokhu ubhemile ubheme kakhulu to extent ukuthi indlela la ebese ngibhema ngayo mina ukuthi yena usushawe iphara because uba watch ku over phela izoba vigilant yonke into
Shuthi
ngoba
ngingathi-
uyaqalaza ngoba bayaqalaza
bahlala
bayaqalaza
lababaleki
yabo uba over vigilant
asokuvuleke kanje that's how I spot them in a groove ukuthi umuntu
Wazana
masele bathi
Steve.
umuntu masele bethe nje bathi hayi kuyidliwa into yakhe
kwabo ku-different
different yazi ukuthi
Eh,
ngingathi
no.
kuwena ngingathi uyitshela ukuthi yabo I'm just taking a glass of water I mean bro ungayitshela mhlambe ngizokuspy
Eh, ucabanga ezinye-
uyekelana
eh,
abafuna ukulwa
yeah.
ngiyawaqhelisa sobeke iplaza
Hawu,
indaba
hawu. Yabo umuntu futhi nanokuthi yena futhi ucabanga ukuthi abantu bahleba ngawe uzizwa ngathi uyanuka mina ngitshela izinto ezenzenzayo mina ngikhulumela ukuthi abanye abantu this is why ngizama ukuthi ngibeke very very personal ngale ndlela le and ingakho ngilo ngikhuluma ngayo lento le ngifuna ukuthi
raise awareness
yabo njengoba mina ngikhuluma kanje ngiyazazi ukuthi yena ngumuntu ukuthi hawe manje ngoba sengenza ukuthi yabo and ngiyabona ukuthi nanokuthi ngilo ngikhuluma ngayo and sharing my thoughts and my knowledge and lo ngibone ngiyabona ukuthi yena engeke lento le ingabe ngangiyenzani ngempela uyabona nje indlela abantu siyayi-afforda bethi walibona apha iparade gezayo bekisho ukuthi ngicabanga ngise VIP ngani niyapharazela nonke bethi wabona iparade gezayo iparade gezayo kodwa-ke phela kodwa uyiphara ngoba unamanga uqamba amanga imali uyifuna indlela ehlukahlukene ngoba yazi lento futhi ucabanga ukuthi ngathi usathane yabo uma ufuna imali serious awuyitholi kodwa uma uyifunela yona uyayithola iqhinga liyaqhamuka iyahlangana imali uma ufuna nje imali entasha uyayithola awucabanga
ukuthi
ukuthi
kumele lo mentality si-apply in real life ukuthi mangabe emhlabeni usufuna ukugive up ucabanga ukuthi iphara kuyenzekani lithi izolala lingabhemile namhlanje ngoba imali
Hey, Plaza
ibakhenzake.
Lee.
imali nathi-ke siyayidlala indima because umuntu omali uyamazi ukuthi umuntu kanjani yabo vele usuyazi nawe uma ungisendela imessage
So uyam-enable
yabo
fana lento
No, but abantu vele they prefer ukunika umuntu imali uma yokwenza into better than the right. Okubheka even
Yeah.
ngisho sithathe nje wona igengele yamabhadi kuma club. Angayithengela yonke into eclubini but uma engathi manje ngifuna ukuyoqedela into ethile mhlawumbe
I-cause.
isikole ngiyenzayo
Ngeke.
khona ngeke azayikhiphi imali.
kodwa engakunika u-20k watshwala
Yeah. Yabo
uma
abantu
usuthi kuyena kusasa ekuseni ngicela ungenzela ilicense
ngizothi hayi no anginayo imali.
What Reese says, I was like, I used to get like baddies coming, like, no. Mhlawumbe uthi itafula la 50k la 20k la bani so mhlawumbe uzogcina sekuba apha uzogcina ko bani k 70k or whatever the guy would pay and then it would be an issue for the guy ukuthi i-wallet the girl esehamba ekuseni ancamele ukuthi ayenze i-ride be under ikhadi
ngoba akafuni
Kanti
ukuthi
khupha
uthathe imali
70,000 guys,
uyoyibhetharisha
but nami I'm like that guys I don't think ngiyakwazi unikeza umfana imali alada ngiyenze mina imali ngikurequesteni or maybe mhlawumbe mase ngikuthengele utshwala but mase uzongicela imali yet
yeah
uthi ngiba weird
No,
nje mina ngifuna ukuyixabanisa nawe nje kumele ngithi awu
ngicela imali mhlawumbe during the week kodwa mase setsho sicela ngithengele utshwala ngizokuthengela but mase ufuna ngikuphi imali le nje ngiyahluleka ngisho 150 can you imagine how to
kodwa ungangithengeli utshwala aba-300
angakuthenga 1000 Hennessy ngakuthengela manje
ngicela sishintshe indlela yokwenza as a society guys no ways
Kanti injalo yazi ukuthi injalo ngempela nangaphandle yonke indawo futhi even ngisho ngathiwa akusekho eGroovin abantu they would rather give you into ethile exactly leyo nto than akunika imali. Yeah. But uma ukunje uyazi ukuthi hayi lento vele ayenza hayi le ngeke imenzele lutho.
Yeah.
Uzokunika impela nje futhi inhliziyo ayikhulule.
Yeah. Now back to you and Kakasi FM. Sesidlule kancane with that, back to on to positive stuff. What shows are you doing? Yeah, awusho njengalokho.
I am hosting the Midnight Sound on Kakasi FM, the sound of KZN.
Yeah.
So every Monday to Wednesday, go 1 to 5 Intata, I'm on air. I know it always confuses abantu. So Intata, it means Sunday, I go to work. Go 11:30 ebusuku. Ngiyela ukuthi mazithi 1 ngifica sengila. Iyaqala ishow ngoMonday ngo1 ekuseni until 5. People always get it confused. Umuntu asethi alarm wrong, agcine ngathunanga in because they thought, you know.
Yeah.
So if it's a Sunday, then I'm gonna go to work on a Sunday. Ngingenela ukuthi ngo1 the show starts until 5. Ngo-Monday ngizoya estudio ngo-Monday ntambama ngo-11 noma ngo-12. Ngiyela ukuthi 4 hours. Ngiyela ukuthi u1 wango Tuesday until 5. Kanjalo. So Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday go 1 to 5 ekuseni. Wednesday ntambama angikho. Ngo Thursday ngakusasa nangolesihlanu kungena my colleague uSithabile kaMazubane. Also going back kancane to the thing of how eGagasi they give you opportunities. She applied for the presenter said she elevates the podcast. But she ended up doing both the podcast and she got her own show. Nayo wafika phakathi wayikhanda wababezela ukuthi they could have gotten anyone ozowenza ishow but kulandwe yena ngobani usengaphakathi and uyazimisela. So laphayana really sengenzela abantu abasha ukuthi bazi if you ever get a chance, not just eGagasi kuphela, anywhere else la uzoya khona. Hamba mfethu usebenze ungafani noSandi wasekhaya. Sebenza mfethu uyikhandle ukhohlwe itshwala uyimisele. Abantu, they are always willing to give opportunities to people that they feel like are hungry for the opportunity. Now as a person for this podcast, I'm sure khona umuntu ombonayo ukuthi ayilona ngeke. But khona umuntu ombonayo kulabantu abahlala bekusiza every day beparticipate umuntu lo shame ithuba uyalifuna mengamnika futhi ngamaximize ngayo. So the same applies everywhere. So yeah, I'm on Gagasi Monday to Wednesday 1 to 5. For now, that's the only thing I'm doing. Oh, I'm also part of the G Squad. So Mapunyu, my activations, we are there, shooting content, influencers basically for the station. But for now, that's it.
And then, Madam Ayo, imshini yakho, iyathola le South Africa. Because I know, like, umsebenzi wakho, I mean, unzima. Ngakubona isikhathi wenza usiphelele mzimela, ngiyangicika leyo ntombazana. Yakhumbula le ngiyangicika leyo ntombazana, usiphelele mzimela.
Why?
Do you know what she did? So usiphelele mzimela, and shame ngiyaqala ukukhuluma ngale nto lo podcast ukuthi manje sengicike kakhulu. Usiphelele mzimela before she was on Isibaya, we were friends. At some point, I think sasise Sun City for the summers. Ngaleso sikhathi I was an Inecto ambassador. Guys, yabo ama-opportunities engwalahlile.
I
was like I was ngangifly by Inecto nanan. So ngangise nanani Sun City Twitter, and then we couldn't meet, but we exchanged numbers. Then we started on Isibaya, but her profile was lacking, so she needed like PR. So ngamenzela ama interview, ngamenzelani. And do you know what she did? Wanqaba ungikhokhela ngasafuna ungikhokhela. So mina ngambhala ku Facebook intathi zabangani bami sezimthinda sezimela ugcine sengikhokhelile. So fast forward wahamba waphela Isibaya, then weza kuzalo she got pregnant, and then wayelokho egula ke on set. Elokhe egula so kathola omunye umazaza. So mina waxolisa kumina kunani esebuyile phela sela umhlaba usumshayile sephuma kuyobeletha amawele. Waxolisa kumina isitabane senkosi kushuthi phela ukuthi yena lesitabane sizovuma phela nenhliziyo kade babengixhaphaza. Nonke ngizoloke nginibiza kanje la kwi podcast ngikhathele nini.
Name and shame.
Manje I must not be afraid. And futhi I'm not going to be afraid. Usiphelele mzimela wabuya, and then ngamzama ukuthi ngimfake futhi ngizama ukuthi ngimfake because I have a good strong relationship with abaphathi baseNanda FM. They're my parents. I've been part of the of Inanda FM since I was doing grade 10, since 2009 when Inanda FM was born. So ngaconvince abaphathi ukuthi abamthathe bamenze ilontuzana presenters, she's got a show there, and then umuntu ngamenzela yonke into ngamenzela mahhala.
Ngenile kuyona ilokhuzana waba neshow yenzayo.
Yonke into ngamenzela ngambisa ngisho Madam Ayo, yonke into ngamenzela mahhala. Kodwa i-contract yami yayithene, if ever she gets an income, faneke she needs to give me a certain percentage. So uyazi ukuthi gele wenzani. So eseqala uthola amagigi ke sesenza ngisho noMadolo Mkhize. Setholani sesenanda FM awukudaza ngisho photo shoot ugele wafethu wangiblock. I explainanga lutho wangiblock. So sephinde into ayenza. So this time around, because sengifunde kangcono and sengikhulile, ngaleso sikhathi phela ngim-exposer, like I was just young, I was just like young and angry. This time around I didn't ngafethu ngakhetha ukuthi ngithule nje ngimbuke. Kodwa ngiyam-exposer ngoba uyangicika, and futhi ingakho ezohleze struggling actress. Ingakho ezohleze struggling actress. Izinto esazenza nje eziwu-2 kuphela. Ile Isibaya noZalo, nakuzalwa ngalasta ngoba kusho ukuthi phela wahluleka ukuthi abambe isimilo njengentombazane. Uqala ukuthola contract. Uqala ukuthola contract. Uqala ukuthola contract. Ukuthi ngiphatha kabuhlungu bra. Yabo wamitha on set, and then bese mina sengiyazama ukuthi ngimfake futhi umuntu sezongibetray futhi. So nje wangicika and ngamletha nje na kwi podcast yalumkile phela mina ngimazi ngam-approacha ngangenza i-PR campaign for usiphelele mzimela wangiphoxa. And futhi into engijabulelayo ke naye iMadolo Mkhize akasamdingi.
Kuthiwa emhlabeni umuntu bekwamxolela yazi ukuthi uzokuphinda.
So nje
Mewamxolela
mina,
nje.
angimxoleli and
Sebhizinisi ezino-spiritual ntontoni axoxa ngazo manje ku-Facebook wakhe.
uzama yonke into phela ufuna ukuthi ahole. Ufuna ukuthi ahole ku-Facebook because yona income anayo okwamanje. Yeah.
Uyahola yini?
Kodwa umfundisi overpowered uMadolo. Yabo mawuzobheka because mina I'm a big fan yaMadolo yabo.
Yeah.
But umfundisi money wise uyamenzela imali but umbulele yena as I think is a creative because sekufile ngaso sonke isikhathi manje ufuna kancike kulomfundisi. Yabo nje amsho ukuthi nayo le spirituality le ingoba uncike kuyena manje lo mfundisi. And uyi character existayo.
Basasebenza namanje?
Yeah, basasebenza phela uyi-character existayo. Yabo umuntu mawukwaqala wathi because uyena futhi omdumise kakhulu. Even
And
she
thina
follow
i-content sikufunela le content
Yeah.
esikwazi
Yeah,
ngayo.
sasidinga
Mawusuthi
enye.
i-content phakathi.
Ukuthi
asahlangene.
usakufakile lokho ukuthi yene ukuthi yene laphayana waye kwisibaya noma waye kuzalo I mean asana ndaba nalokho manje isibaya sekho
Yo.
kuzalo i-character yakho yakuhlula wahamba
Yo.
wamitha wahamba yozala amawele ngeke usathatha uzala ngeke usangena futhi
Yingakho ekuzala kwakumele azeshiyuza.
Hayi wena khabona.
Yeah, basaza abanye ngisazobalanda nje mfethu yabo nje le ntombazane isangihlukumeza kakhulu. I think manje I'm at a stage where I'm just like speaking about everything engiphathe kabi and that I want to move on from. Yena ngimovile on from yona le nto leyo. Kodwa ngilinde nje ukuthi athole mhlambe some big role. Ukuthi mhlambe idlozi lami lisebenza overtime akathole role. Ngilinde ukuthi athole some big role bese ngiyasebenza bese ngikhipha wonke ama-file ke. Sengiwakhipha because she signed a contract and she said it to me nginayo. Bese ngizobala zonke izinto esezenzile bese ngiyayifuna ke imali
Yeah, as you should.
because nje amaqola angizwani nawo and yeah amaqola nje angizwani nawo ungasebenzisi ukuthi uqhamuka kephi wena wazana nobani mina inanda uyazi ngami ngamhambafaka yonke indawo esena MPL guest house ngamlalisa khona Nanda FM ngamisa ngimtholela ama sponsor bazobenza ikhanda inzipho ngimenza +1 yami kuma events ngizama ukuthi ngimvuse la eThekwini ngaziyo umuntu
I feel like wena emjolweni yile ex.
Ngamazi because I'm not a TV person. Yo, so mase ngitshela uSendi ukuthi hayi uzoletha umuntu wasiba. I'm like, who's this now? Because I don't know this girl.
I think wavumelana ukuthi wena following
Ngabuka ifollow yakhe ngathi okay, but even if seyenzile it didn't work for me. I
Akakulethelanga abantu.
couldn't get one person.
Yabo.
Yabo, I was like, na indlela promoter ngayo, you know when you get uza nomuntu on a follower. Ngendlela azokulokhuza ngayo azokuposta ngayo fanele kube nendlela ezo-attracta
abantu
didn't do anything
wavete nje wafaka ithombe wavete wafaka ithombe yeah
I was so bored.
she was very difficult to work
I-content yakhe before she advertised was she all doing just ithombe vele.
no
noma uyawenza ama-vlog.
yena nje une-following eningi but they don't engage because i-content
I think if nefollow yakhe
Following
ayikho
iqhamuka
powerful,
ku-TV.
ayikho powerful yakhe.
Iqhamuka ku-TV.
Futhi nje uqhamuka ku-TV bemthandela ukuthi
She-
TV, but nje,
because abanye sebemkhohliwe nje
We need to have a conversation about how sometimes influencers don't bring business to the
Who they
business.
do?
yeah
And they think I'm a follower because I could be an influencer and my followers are maningi. But if my followers are not into beauty,
mina uyangazi
no, I'm
uSendi.
not collaborating with
Uyasho
you.
vete ashathene no this will not work for me
Ngamtshela mina khona nje wengilethela yona odansayo.
ingalo wathangele ngale groove kakhulu
Ngihamba ngombheka ku-TikTok ngathi lo uyangidansela is giving ule blender yavala besikhuluma ngayo.
London
Giving London vibe.
Plaza ehamba
Which
khona
means if
kakhulu
ama-follower akhe it's London
Then they're not.
abasebenzayo
Yeah.
abanemali ngathi no I can't do this.
yeah
Sorry.
kahle sebesikhuluma ngemshini
Uyayibo?
asikhulumeni ngemshini yakho because abantu bayangibuza ukuthi indaba izinto zakho zibize kanje ngisho ukuthi mina no guys it's the quality bona iquality nemshini where do you order imshini yakho osebenza ngayo
Imshini yami umshini actually ku-order kanye.
okay
Order abroad yabo but izinto ezibizayo ilokhuzana is ama-pigment.
okay
Pigment yakhona nenaliti isishintshwa njalo.
Mm.
Ngezosebenzisa i-A1 because okunezifo eziningi
yeah.
format naliti.
yeah
Kunama-numbing cream, numbing cream nje iyodwa 600 rand, ne-pigment iyodwa 600
ama-wipes
ama-wipe bayithengela ke manje.
oh.
Nginabasebenzi fanele ngirente
Copyright,
badla
electricity.
amakhekhe juice yonke
oh
leyo.
wow you have snacks on the house
You have
when
snacks in the house.
Okay.
You understand that ne-professionals nokusebenza kwethu nokuhlala kwayo ukuthi it lasts for you 1 year and I mean 3 years. It's a lot. Akusinto ozenza every week.
yeah
So that's why actually I'm cheap. Suppose we like ngicharge 4,000 or 3,000.
yeah
2.5 but ngiyaba nama specials there and there but
yeah
nje
uhleze nama
nami
specials
ke singendlela engenza ngayo ke child, I think I'm too cheap.
No, you're
And
right. There's nothing wrong
with the
think I'm too
quality
cheap.
and the
Yes.
foam. Yeah, okay.
There's
Yabo,
nothing
because
wrong with
yabo
increasing
mina
the
because
price.
I've been following you like for a long time.
Yeah.
Took the lockdown. Ngiyabona bese ngiyabona ukuthi manje sikwenze sehlukile. Sengibona foam man.
Yeah,
Sengachaze. Yabo everything is just like very classic on the foam. Uthi wena uyasula it's a surprise.
And bathanda leyo
Done.
nto
Nami lokho
manje. They
engakuthanda.
love it ukuthi nje yabo.
Yeah. So guys, Madam Ayo orders izinto zakhe phesheya and ama-class awenzayo ngicela ngicela ngama-class akho because khona omunye wangitshela wathi yena into ayithandayo because the black community bingekho lento le-microblading people were oh my God abantu abaforce khona nabanye khona nabanye abenza
KZN.
khona nabanye
Okay.
abenza uthini ngalaba abenza ngathi i-tattoo abenza ngathi i-tattoo la uthini ke la
Nje kufanele ngabe bangihlonipha because I was the only one locked down introduced
Mm.
this. It's been
Yes.
there for
Siyoze
years.
sithi
Yeah.
bhuti
Yeah.
enganeni.
ngiyakutshela you like uke wena ukuqala like the fact that use-sharing knowledge because manje siyatravela ke manje senze ilonto zani tell me about your classes.
Oh, ama-class wami awu 2 days, so 12,500
Mm.
to
Cabanga uthola nane-kits because khona iclass lakhe elizoba nalo nje soon
ngizoba nalo next month.
next month ngoba you had your class futhi last month angithi
Yeah, benginalo i-class last month. So ngizobe nalo next month.
next
Dates.
month
Yeah. Angayikhiphi
Oh,
i-date as
wayikhipha.
yet. Yeah.
yeah lizoba la eThekwini
Yeah, iseThekwini kuyambela indawo ngeke kuyagqilaza.
kuyagqilaza
Ibhede ukurenta indawo.
Accommodation,
Accommodation,
transport, niyodla
yabona,
lapho.
kufanele
ukuthenga
ngidle,
ikhithi kuleyo ndawo
ukuthenga ikhithi
futhi
futhi nje, it's
yeah.
too much for me.
Yeah. So guys, Madam Ayo, if you guys want to know more, nihamba niyobheka laphayana kwi-page lakho Facebook and on TikTok. TikTok wakho is booming, eh?
Kanti musha ngivule ngoNovember.
Really?
Ubungenawo TikTok before
Mina
that?
bengawuthandi.
Noma ngiwuthandi namanje angawuthandi. Hayi nokuthi bengingawuthanda manje angiwuthandi nje uTikTok.
Personally, I don't have only business.
Mm.
But shem ungivumile and thanks to the ngipusha naye.
Hey bo,
ngifollowa.
ngathi ngiyabona ukuthi
Bangipha nje
Madam Ayo.
10,000 wonke wabantu. I was
Hey
like,
bo.
okay.
Wow.
Shout out to the team.
Yes, shem ungipostile.
Let's speak about social media. Why don't you like TikTok?
Okay, I'm a creative who does a lot of videos. I'm a
Yes.
video army, ngithanda ukufaka ingoma.
Do you
ngi-move.
edit and do your own videos?
Yeah.
Oh, you so
Well,
good.
sometimes I pay people to do it for me. It depends ukuthi if it's a pay if I got a campaign that paid me to shoot the content, ngoba nami ngibengivilaphi, I prefer outsourcing umuntu. But sometimes for my own tontonis or if into engikhokhele kancane because sometimes kuyanegotiate.
Yeah.
Sometimes umuntu akhokha uhalf wemali then lo munye uhalf uzothola kuma services akhe
Yeah,
for free
yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
So sometimes I hire people to do it, but sometimes ngiyazenzela. Mostly ngiyaz-editela. So I like ukuthi mengenza video, ngishaya i-video ngihlanganise bese ngifaka i-background song so that it gives
that
vibe it is,
yes,
you know?
yes.
And then bese ngenza i-voice over. With
Mhm.
TikTok, I don't like it because post angathi ungapost i-video engenayo i-music background because it
Isicefe.
always copyrights you.
Oh,
Kancane
yes.
kancane abantu bakublocker. Uthi usuyipostile i-video right, it's doing numbers. 2 weeks
Si-
later
si-muted.
sebeyimutile. And I was like, so kimini iyangicika yonke leyo nto.
But I
And-
think into right ngayo ufane ngisho mosayifaka i-video bakunikeza umuzik. I think ufane choose.
Umuzik kwabo lo work kanjena.
But mina I think ku-TikTok wami ngithola music alright.
Ngeke mina kwami mhlamba ama-settings, I don't know.
Mhlawumbe ama-settings.
Oh, TikTok is
Oh no,
Ingoma
I
eziwork.
think- no, it was professional mode.
I don't even know. Let me check.
I think it's on
Yeah.
professional mode. Ma
Because
professional
nami
mode wenza
bengakwazi
kanjalo.
ukuposta ngama-price but ngawushintsha ke manje ngawufaka into business. Now I can use music.
Also, I need to
can
change
post-
to.
I can post nge-price manje. But mongekho kwi-business ngeke uze uvumele ukuthi ufake
Okay,
ama-price.
thank you. I didn't know that. But I
Yeah.
didn't like it for that reason. Ukuthi
Yeah.
mina, for me, it doesn't make sense for my videos. And ufike late TikTok, sengi-addicted to Facebook, no Twitter, no
But
Instagram.
ibhizinisi is go slowly ke nge-following. No, fanele uqale kuqala u-avoid izinto uthathe kwi-personal uyikhulise wena kakhulu. Then
Kabanga
ungene
no TikTok about
kwi-business.
mine and the
Yeah,
business one.
because ibhizinisi is slow.
Slower than
I don't know why
Yeah.
it feels kanjalo, yes.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I think
Eh,
TikTok must change.
Because
yeah.
even now, I mean, like, kodwa now your page on Facebook, like abantu, I think the people that engage
Yeah.
baningi kune with the following.
Yes.
Abantu abaengageayo kuwena baningi kakhulu kunabantu abakufollowishayo.
Yes.
Like yabo yena
Abangifollow mina kodwa ba-engage.
ba-engage.
Ba-engage, but they don't
But
follow.
I'd rather kube
Especially
kanjalo kunokuthi
ku-Facebook.
bekufollowe but they
Oh,
don't
mina
engage.
ku-Facebook ngimkhulu okade ngabamkhulu ngineminyaka emingakhi
Hey, bo.
but I'm still sitting on 50. understand. I'm like,
But engagement is the one.
but kodwa-ke,
Engagement.
But I
My
think into
posters.
abalulekile, iyona into aba- iyona into
Mangipostile.
abalulekile leyo, because even if you're working with
Yeah.
brands, they want to know engagement rate yakho ukuthi
Why?
if
No,
upostile,
no,
it's
no.
pointless ukuba nama-followers amaningi
Mina
njengalokhu
ngiyakwazi
vele kade
ukuthi
nimusho.
i-reel yami ku-Facebook ngiwu-reach mhlawumbe u-17,000 ngebhizinisi. can you
Yeah,
imagine?
yeah.
Business.
Ama-
Umonetizile
Ama-
uFacebook wakho?
Hmm?
Umonetizile?
Yeah,
Uthi
yeah.
Oh.
Kade ngahola kodwa phela ayifuna ngenze ikhona nje namanje but ayikaze ingenele because
Hawe ma.
yeah serious.
Mase
Oh,
ngimdala,
no,
ngifuna
please, you
ukubuya.
need to. Oh,
No,
Ima,
ukhuluma
ngamtshela.
sengimdala yami.
Ngamtshela ngathi mina yena, if ever you think of hiring someone to do your social media and marketing, please me.
Yabo manje sengingaqasha because angisenanda angisafuna.
Yeah.
And imisebenzi sengihlele ngingekho. So
Yeah.
manje ngithola umuntu yabo nje manje kufanele ngiqashe umuntu ozongenela from social media. Uzohamba ushutha ama-video maqeda ukusetshenzwa bese biyaposta.
Yeah.
Yabo nje DCM mhlawumbe ngisaposte
Ngiyengibona.
Ukuba uposta njalo ngama-followers ala.
noma
I-social media
ngingaposta
uhlupha.
ngako
Abafollowi nje.
but mengaposta funny enough ngendlela abantu ebangibona ngayo ngiposta special namhlanje ngo-7 kothi kushawo 8 imali bengiyifuna sengiyenzile.
Nice.
But
that's
Yeah.
nice.
ngibuza ukuthi abekho
Serious.
la
No,
bantu
the
High
high
five.
five phela musu. Yeah, don't leave me hanging wena.
sorry
Alakile.
like angazi ukuthi baqhamuka because i-follower yami I'm like kufanele ngabe sebephilile abantu engibenzayo. Yebo.
Sne, when your profile is very clean. I think yazi ukuthi ngisho ngithi mina yazi ukuthi mababuka amanye abantu ufisa ukuthi hey mina ngingcolile. Mina ngihlezi ngiba beef endabeni na. Have you ever been in a social media beef?
I have
Oh
actually.
no, wait. Can we go back? No. Oh, khuluma ngalo muntu scam after winning the awards. And then because you've never spoken about that. You've never spoken about that. You've never spoken
So
about
I won the
that.
Sebenza Awards in
Mhm.
2023 for
Yes.
women in media.
Yes.
Shortly after winning, bengifonela abantu bakhona kwama-Sebenza Awards and they like, khona umuntu esimnike inamba yakho wase-Channel O. Well, they tried calling me bangangithola because I was asleep. Ngiyakuthanda-ke mina ukulala.
Ngifuna nami le esebenza award ekugcineni konke
Yes,
engifuna
yes,
ukuyibuza.
Oh.
Thola wena. So ngilele and they tried calling me bengangitholi because I'm so serious about ubuthongo. Mengilala ngifaka ifoni ku-D&D angifuna ukuphazanyiswa. So mengivuka ngithola ama-miss calls zabo nama-WhatsApp bangibhalelile. 2 people from ama-Sebenza Awards saying the same thing. Hey, kade sithi zama ukuthola awutholakala efonini, so we gave your number to this person. Just letting you know so that mase kufonela uwazi inamba uyithole kuthina. We know the guy because we are trying to forge a working relationship with him. Guy sebenza ka-Channel O. Nangempela guy Oh, sengalikhohlwa. The guy calls me kwangempela. Oh, naye wangifonelile ngathola i-miss call washiya ne-SMS message. So then I called him back ngoba sengizwile phethe. Oh.
Yeah.
Kade ngiqeda kuwini award ye-media.
Yabo.
I called the guy back and he tells me ukuthi usibani wase-Channel O, they wanna invite me to ama-Channel O Angazi Music Awards. I'm not going to be working. Bafuna nje ngibuke ukuthi kwenzakalani. It's like shadow because they want to add me to i-team yabo but they need to check qali vibe yami. Yabo, and nami ngibone nje ngibe familiar with ama-settings. They're flying me out, they're booking accommodation. I just have to be there. Oh, obviously it's a once in a lifetime, life-changing opportunity.
Yeah.
Ubani ongayeki ithuba la Channel O
Yeah.
phakathi inside. And mind you, kwenzeka lento nje ngangikade ngibuya. Something similar had happened, so it was easier for me to believe that. Ngoba something similar. Ngithema ngifika la eThekwini, I was called by usisi bengamazi ngimazele Facebook uLungi Mbili. We are both from Newcastle but besingazani Newcastle. We were actually nominated kuma-Sebenza so 2 under the same category.
Yes.
Sazana kanjalo. So then we start following each other on Facebook and then she's like ngiyayithanda vibe yakho. Ngicela uze Push Up Stein, I'm hosting ama-awards and kuma awards ngifuna ukuthi uzobuka ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba next year ngifuna ube sethimini yami.
Okay.
So ngiye ePush Up Stein ngempela kuhambe kahle yonke into was great. I met uLungi, she's amazing. We still have a great relationship namanje. And ngasebenza vele naye after that ngibuye. So masebesho kanje kwama-Channel O, it makes sense ngoba I just did this ngaye ePush Up Stein ngabuya, I was safe and sound. Ayikho into yangehlela. So I'm thinking yona ndlela vele ku-operate ngayo eThekwini. Remember I'm from Newcastle. Angiyazi industry ngisafika. Ngivume-ke. Guys like, okay, you need to book flights ASAP ngoba aya-fluctuate ama-price akhona. So we need to lock in ama-flights and then accommodation zokubhukhela later on. Ama-flights angifuni ukukubhukhela because uma ngibhede information yakho then uzoba ne-challenge mase kumele kushintshwe izinto ongcono zenzele wena. Zokufakela imali uyibhukhele manje. Bhukha manje ingakalalwa. And then accommodation so besiyibonike le kumina. Yimi lo excited nangempela ngene notification yemali he sent 7K wathi flight yokuhamba neyokubuya. wathi angenze sure ukuthi ngibhukha i-return
Kangena imali ngempela.
yangena imali
Okay.
yimi loya shy and ngingena manje SMS ngathi angisafuna ukumosha isikhathi ngakhokha wathi he's working with i-agency so I must just wathini konje I must pay the agency ngizobhukha over the phone with the agency abasebenzisana nayo vele so anginiki inamba bengiconnecte ke and this other guy from the agency uyakhuluma nami siyakhuluma uyathatha ama details warawara and then ngiyayenza ke payment idonse kwi account yami and wayefaka ngisho imali extra because I think wase ngicalculated ukuthi ama flights azobu 6k but he was like I'm going to add 1,000 just in case ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi into abama flights nokuthi ke phela mawufika airport makusala ushintshe ukwazi ukuthenga amanzi ungasala usu you know I'm like wow this is good should have known it was too good to be true this is the life I was praying for it's superstar life
For the fact that I'm sorry to break you, for the fact that they made you book for your own flights.
bayifaka futhi imali wayibona wena
No, ukuthi nje bathi bazokubhukhela wena. Lokho nje was like a red flag. Because
well, give
usually-
me it wasn't a red flag. Remember,
But I
I'm
say
Newcastle.
Newcastle.
It's a small town. No one books flights for you in Newcastle.
Yeah.
Ngiyaqala ukuzohlala eThekwini full time. Ngizosebenza eThekwini. So I don't know how the industry works in Durban. Ngoba kade siye Potchefstroom, kwathiwa sokutholela i-transport, you just have to be there. Accommodation transport is covered. We met at the Playhouse. They had a sponsorship. Babesebenza ne-shuttle. Yasithatha usibeke ePotchefstroom. Sasibaningi vele khona nabanye. Sabhukhela salala mahhala. So give me it's not sounding foreign because kuqeda kwenzeka and it's making sense because it's happening exactly how it happened ngisaya ePotchefstroom. So I'm thinking should yona ndlela operator ngayo la eThekwini.
Yes.
Sengikhokhile ngiyabona ukuthi no kumele ngikhokhe u6k but sengikhokhile kuhamba u3k ngobani imali ebank ayinela ngithi mina nginamali I'm a brokey. Thank God futhi I'm broke because kwahamba u3k kuphela. Then I realized ukuthi le SMS abangisendele notification imali ifake ngeke ngase ngi-excited ngabona ibank notification ngakhokha azange ngisaya ebank ukuyo double check ukuthi imali ingene ngempela yini. And I'm also
noma wena
thinking
ungena
Wakhokhani?
oyanga kwi-app
Agent le
ngakhokha agent
malini.
ngamkhokha u3k ngaya kwi-app kuyo-check ngabona ukuthi akangeni but I thought ngoba amabhenki angafani futhi sebusuku.
I wasn't gonna
So but you had money wena ekhona kwi-account.
Uyona nje
Wasebenzisa
uyona.
wona.
Yes ngasenda wona kuphela and then ngamtshela ukubhuti ukuthi le mali yakhe ayireflectile and he's like hayi mhlawumbe ngoba it's a different bank but at least ngoba usuyishayile yokuhamba ke then you're going to be fine. And also uma wabuza because it happened I'm with my mom. She was asking me is this not a scam? But I'm like it can't be a scam given connects abantu bamasebenza Women Awards. Come on, it's such a big reputable company. Kusho ungafonela eGagas wena lithi sinikeze usibani bani wase MTV base number yakho bese ucabanga scam. No one is going to think that. Ngoba ungcono kube ibona iscammer esangcontacta. But the fact that it went through isebenza ngafonelwa kwathiwa sinika umuntu inamba yakho. Then to me it's like okay, and bathe I even had WhatsApps. I still have the screenshots. But mina, we know the guy. We are creating a working relationship with him. So manisho njalo as a big company.
So who was that person from? Was it Kini or Mam?
No, it wasn't Kini. It was
Kuku.
Mam Kuku.
Oh, Kuku
No,
Kunene.
who was this other guy? It's all under one post. The one I made on Facebook. Sengabakhohlwa bonke labo bantu.
Yakhumbula umtheka.
Yeah, I tagged all of them.
Yakhumbula
Yabo. So then I got scammed like that because manje ngilinde phela ukuthola i-email econfirm ama flights ami ngisayithola email now this guy akatholakala efonini mangibuyela kulabantu ukuthi ayibonini umuntu eninginike yena angimtholi manje efonini but mina sengikhokhile and imali yena athe ungifakele yona ayingenile sesashintsha story jiki oh we don't know the guy you can't say you don't know the guy I got it on text ukuthi nitheni na uguy you are working together now you are trying to create a working relationship mase ngiskemile seningitshela ukuthi animazi ngibe ngimaze ngani ngaze ngasho ngathi ngangcono ubugayi ubona Instagram wami wangidm baskemeka ngoba ngiyibhayizela angibhayizi mina yabo the only reason why I even sent the money ingoba inini eningifonelile na verify ukuthi ngiyamazi ukube nina nifonanga bengeke ngitatazele kanje ngoba nale yase Potchefstroom ngayi researcha kahle before I went you know so
unaso kodwa nje laba bantu iscam banikeza abantu abanjani vele ama awards because mina ngisanda ngabe besifazane
nawe bakuscamile
no abangiskema but shuthi benza kanjani bona because mina ngisenza besifazane I'm very well I've been in the industry kakhulu futhi bangathi
phela ngathi awasekho because after that happened mina ke bese I keep wanting my money and I'm threatening them ukuthi manje ngayifaka imali yami ngiyanibopha ngithi ukuthi yazi ukuthi be honest I wasn't going to do all of that I just wanted my money back.
Did they give you?
No they didn't. So now what I do ngenza njengawe I've got friends who are journalists ngikhulume nabo intatheli and then ngishaye story they call labantu bakamasebenza to verify ukuthi hey anti ama 2K usinike story kanje kanje bona get you out of the story bona kusho ukuthi bevele bepanic mabezwa kuthiwa sebecontact amaphephandaba. What they do then after, bayokhipha istatement ku-Facebook bezidistance kuqala. Ngingakasho lutho mina ngakatshela abantu ukuthi ngiskemiwe, abantu abazi lutho. Bona beposte iqala statement kuzofika iphepha elithi siskema abantu. We just want you guys to know in advance asihlangene. Why wenza damage control if ahlangene? And uyenza in advance. Mina mnikazi wendaba ngithuli angisho lutho. Even my family at that point didn't know ukuthi I've been scammed.
Kodwa company yase-Iwa yasiwile kahle kahle kwakuyokugcina.
Idlozi phela ngithi uNkulunkulu thina siyathandaza.
Bona sebeskema abantu esebabelethile for them to get money.
Yes, ngoba emva
I
kwalokho
think it works like that.
Saqabana we bickered ngabona ukuthi imali yami ngeke ngiyithole la ngase ngathi it's fine God I'm leaving it over to you. In that same year bangiskema ngawo the awards didn't happen. Abantu
what I'm saying.
bafika ba-travel postpone on the day.
On the day.
Emini.
People were actually
Sebebhukile.
at the airport.
They traveled.
People were actually at the
Mina I'm
airport.
telling you about a friend of mine wayesuke eNewcastle wayeselendile wayesefikile because she was also nominated.
vele-
Wathungisa.
Lungile, wasn't I shooting?
Benza
Discussing
ama-makeup.
find out. So I shoot her when I found out. Like, hey, bo.
Yes.
Sekuthiwa
Abantu
sekhanselwe.
yakhanselwe mina abantu sebebenzile ngisho ama-face beats.
Hayibo,
You
oh.
understand? And I'm like, yabo my-cancel, I won't lie. I'm saying this on camera. I was so happy. Angikaze ngijabule kanje empilweni yami ukuthi ngangiqala ukujabulela i-downfall yomuntu. Ngangiqala because i-downfall yakhona ihambe ney'nyembezi zami.
Yeah.
My hard
Yeah.
earned money, my
Yeah.
blood, sweat and tears.
I think
Ayikazi
kodwa
kuyi-3,000.
Hayibo,
U-3,000 bro ungakhokha i-rent.
Hayibo, bro,
I-installment
imali enkulu
semoto,
kabi,
iningi loo
imali
mali,
enkulu
yabo.
kabi,
They didn't bring it back
grocer.
and they didn't even like account properly ukuthi bexolise because they should have said, hey sinebe singazi ukuthi uzokuskema, siyaxolisa, let's try to make a way to fix this. Bavele bayiqhelisa kanjani bengilele ngivuswe i-call yenu ningitshela ngalo muntu. Mayisedla imali yami senithi animazi. No ways.
Aye, aye,
So
aye,
I won't
aye,
lie, I
guys.
was so happy for that downfall. I hope they keep falling until they pay back my money.
Yes,
Angiyona-ke
but
mina.
the thing is coming.
Nami-ke
Ngeke
siphelele,
but
uyezwa
as
ke
long as
siphelele.
ngingabuyile-ke.
Last nabantu abangakhokheliwe nisiphelele nami.
Eh.
You can keep falling down until you pay me what I
Until you pay me back.
deserve.
And if they don't pay me back, may they keep falling even further, even underground,
Dlovu,
in the
basho kanje,
basement.
nene to
ungene.
nene.
Yes. You don't do people like that and then think
But
uzoba
don't you think
grand.
ukuthi abasebenzi ababengaphansi kwayo not umnikazi wayo?
Ukuthi nomnikazi wayo ngathi mengikhuluma naye before it made it to the news. Wanginika impendulo efana nabasebenzi bakhe wanganginika lento engangiyifuna ukuthi ngangitshela ukuthi uzothi we'll work on a plan to pay you back or let's talk about it, let's meet. Wanganginika lo response. So at this point angisazi noma bayangiskema bonke babesebenzisana noma nabo they genuinely didn't know nabo bashayeka ngoba kuyenzeka. But kumele
kuyenzeka.
nisho no besingazi but let's try to find i-solution. Bona yabe i-solution kwakukuthi ayi mangi ave nginomsindo sengiyakhuza ema-buildingini. I-solution yabo kwakukuthi sizokhokha ngo-October after ama-awards. I'm like, no, October is too far. Ningiskeme ngoJanuary. Unyaka wonke ngizobe ngihleli ngenzani? Kumele ngifuna manje ngoba engiskenywe manje. Futhi kube ngabalindi ukuthi bengikhokha ngo-October, futhi ngaba ngikhokhanga still because those awards didn't happen because they said sokhokha ama-proceeds ama-awards. I'm like, ngiyayizwa lo solution but it doesn't work for me. Can you think of another solution ezoba short term ibe fast? Ngathi mina wayini nganginiki kwisikhwama selokhuza senkampani. I was told ukuthi inkampani ayinayo imali because it's an NPO. Bona basuke mabenza ama-awards unyaka wonke vele abenza ilutho. Bafika sebehost ama-awards end of the year.
Are they never gonna
Ama-awards
happen?
asuke I don't know. Asuke sponsored ama-awards so they don't have imali ehleli abangangikhokha ngayo. But I'm like, at this point manje ngikhokha imali inzeni ngoba inina enthe lo muntu ngiyamazi. Mina kuba ngisho njalo ngoba ngikhokhanga. Nami I suspected at some point it was a scam, especially mase ngibona ukuthi imali ayingenanga. But I'm like angeke kodwa ngisicam abantu babasebenza kumina awards. Never. You know. So for as long as bengakayikhokha imali yami, I'm not going to sit here and pretend to be the bigger person because I'm not. Uyangibona ukuthi ngizacile angiyona nje bigger person in any way shape or form. Ngithaldiship but I'm happy nge-downfall ngathi bengakhipha beze bengene kwi-basement mabe ngikhokha imali yami ngizobuya ngizosho ukuthi i-beef isiphelile sesi-right but for as long as ngingakhokheliwe then serves them right.
Speaking of being scammed, ukuthi mina ngikwazi ngiyanqana ukuthi ngikhulume ngayo le ndaba le. Kodwa it is so very much frustrating ukuskenywa by like an organization that is so big. You know, there was a time when I was commissioned to get influencers, and we would go with this gala dinner enkulu ezoba MSC. Yes. So we went to gala dinner with the influencers. Kanje. The deal was because it was from a certain cell phone brand. The cell phone brand was then basically a phone. Kanje. So the only reason why I agreed to that and even the biggest influencers in Wazi to come and say gala dinner was because the person in contact this organization, personally. So ngavuma. Ngithe mina mase ngimthinta ngithi mina mfethu phela sengilindile ifone and the other packages that I'm supposed to get. Kanje sengumthinta. Ngize ngibhale ngicomment na Facebook ngathola ama email from lawyers.
Buka you trying to buka kodwa uyena kade wrongi.
Yabo
Mase kuthiwa umjabulele lo muntu and pretend as if happy mayewina ngathi hayibo ngeke shame guys.
Ngiyothola courage at some point. Ngiyothola courage ukuthi ngoba ngiyafisa ukuthi ngeke ngihlangane naye nje kanje. Ngimbuze ukuthi hayibo ngoba phela wangiblocka yonke indawo naye. Ukuthi hayibo bra like mhlawumbe leyo nto leyo yeza kuwena ukuthi ngiyanqane nje mention i-cell phone brand. Have you ever been scammed? Abantu mhlawumbe bakusendele ama client was a scam.
No, phela mina ngisenza immediate
Mawuthi is it cash send?
No, I don't use cash.
Uthamba uyikhipha.
Yeah.
Vele futhi you work in CBD.
Yeah. So nje angithatha cash now futhi bayazi I don't know cash.
Oh yeah, got
and
you.
angithatha imali ngasi immediate payment. If wenza i-payment ngasi immediate payment, you wait up until it reflects.
Oh yeah.
Wise move.
Yeah, that's
i-appointment yakho bekusasa and then ungenza i-payment mina namhlanje engazungena manje, which means i-appointment be shift up until appointment
imali futhi uyayisiza. Mina ngangiqala ukuskenywa at that time mina ngiphindanga ngaskenywa ever again. Ngisho ukuthi kwakuphuma nje ibhadi ngami ngiyifikele eThekwini. So that's why ngithi I'm not going to sit here and pretend as if I'm not happy that the awards are no longer there. For as long as isine beef bengangikhokhanga imali yami, then nami beef yami is very much valid and iyophela mhla ngiyobuya ku social media bonke bangumsindo ngimemeza manje ngiyobuya ngizoyenza the same amount of noise ngisho ukuthi sebengikhokhile sesi right, but if abazi ukungikhokha it's okay vele sengayidlulisa inhliziyo yami ngaxola kulo mali ngaphuma kuyona because ngayitshela ukuthi ngengiyithola, but nje angifuni ize nitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe ngizothi shem uNkulunkulu osasiqola uqodo forgive not me. Now I'm human and I'm not going to forgive you.
Lumkile wena, have you ever been scammed? Can you scale uvo lakho in terms of
nami ngisaye ngaskenywa ngisaye ngaskenywa and mina ngaskenywa funny thing ke mina ngaskenywa kuyimina ofaka iadvert yabo ku Facebook yabo khona indawo engiqashise ngayo la eMayville yabo I have 2 room laphana so ngiposta online ku marketplace ngithi I know ufuna umuntu ozozoqasha futhi ngifonelwe lo baba ufona uyashesha yabo uthi abafani bakhe bazongena la UKZN vele iseduze nalaphana ucela ukuthi abe ngifakela manje imali mina ngizonika nalabafana yabo ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi imoto bakhokhela imoto lezosuka nezimpahla ize kumina. Hayi nami ngila workshop yabo hayi nginakile nami ngithi hayi shoot hayi yamthola umuntu uyangena hayi angishaye ngayo notification nami
and it looks so real. It looks so real.
You apps it may get notification okay uthi ufake 1.5 yes mina ngizothatha u1.2 base nginika labafana 300 ukuthi bakhokhela imoto. Hayi sesuka bese ngicina ke manje ke yabo senginike nenumber yami futhi abafana sengifonelwa abantu abangakumanje abawu2 ngifonelwa yilo angijahe ngapha ngifonelwe lo angijahe ngithi mina imali ayikangeni may reflect imali uthi hayi angibe ngisebenzise yami yabo at least ke noma ngibanike noma imali yemoto yokuthi ibibathatha imoto ibiza ngako ukuthi hayi mina nginayo imali mina yabo mina ngino 200 la yabo yena bathi angikhiphe because waqala wathi angikhiphe u5 hayi ngathi mina waqala 1.5 ngathi hayi mina 1.5 ayanginawo wathi yena hayi noma u5 hayi ngathi mina hayi ngeke no5 anginawo because nami ngangilokhu ngiqikaza ukuthi senginganika umuntu lento zani ngithi hayi mina ngino 200 la uthi yena uma eseza ukuthi ngino 200 uthi awuthi ngifonele ku anti wabo labafana siyabuya kumina emva kwa 2 minutes sebuya usethi u-anti labafana uthi haya ngawukhipha 300 yabo so wena uright lo 200 vele ubasendele angathi ngiqeda kusha nje ukhethi send hayi yonke into akusangeni lutho ngithi ngiyafona ifoni isi off manje sengiyabuya nami sengiyobheka notification
ubona after ukuthi
ngiyabona amaphutha angaka
yes nakimi kwenzeka kanjalo. That's why ngithi ukube the scammer contacted me directly ngangizo accepta i-L yami ngisho ukuthi asho ukuthi mina oyibhayizele wadlima imali yami bese kuyaphela kanjalo ngangeke ngilwise umuntu ngoba sho ukuthi mina nje uyithithizele. But for the fact that you guys sent this person my way kade ngilele angimazi from a bar of soap angazi lutho ngakaze ngikhume namuntu kwa channel O yabo ulethwe yinina wangisendele the notification looks so real ngabona mase ngibuka after good
nami the notification because angibelievanga ngiqala nami ukuskenywa yabo I've never been scammed ngumuntu mina online yabo even the day khona ngisho the day bezama ukuthatha ipage ku Facebook I woke up angazi ukuthi ngavuswa yini manje ngiyavuka ipage lami lino Post Malone ngithi Boss Moloni
Bafuna ukukhekha.
hayi kahle kahle basebengenile because basebeyishintshile ngisho i-email sebesasele inamba
Ah.
sekuthi ukuthi bashintshe inamba hayi kanti ngizovele ngiyibuyisele i-email wathethe ngase ngiyithathile nami yakhe i-email ambhalela direct ukuthi yabo lento yenza soxabana
Uxabana.
ma.
alishintsha laphinde labuyela la right
Yo.
All perks of doing IT. Mina ngizoba yinje.
Yo.
Ngizovuka ngibakazi.
Hawe ma.
manje sengafaka o2fika manje yonke into ufuna ngene SMS ngene
Yes,
i-email
yebo, it helps, it helps.
inkinga
I also
and
do the same
iyahamba
thing.
futhi into iyahamba
It helps. Yabo nje
Mm,
ama-hackers no Fly Motion wesitshela la ukuthi any page le Basement Podcast the
yeah
whole channel
balithatha nje
lina 21,000 lantshontsho
Yeah.
i-YouTube channel.
Sanenhlanhla.
Eish.
Yabona
Kodwa
nje.
lami ngilokhuzana because nami ama-emails yonke into ngiyakhona
Nanokuthi phela usiza ukuthi wena u-verified.
Yeah,
Phela uma
now
u-verified
verified.
kuba
Bangconywana.
kuba
At least
ngconywana.
ukuthi phela nakhona still balithatha but kuba ne-process yokuthi
And,
ukwazi ukulibuyisa
yeah,
ubo-verified because hey yabo manje sebelithatha ngandlela zonke anqeni ukuthiwe nje sikubona ukuthi uya-influencer sibona ukuthi ungapromota la uklikhe le
Klikha le
link
link.
ukuthi uyangena kwi-link
Yebo.
yabo and
Mina
uma kuyi-source of
ngiyafika-
income-ke
I think nenye into ekwazi
problem.
ukuthi ama-page abo athathwe lento ezokuthi uthunyelwe ku-WhatsApp into ezikanjalo kahle kahle uFacebook awukuthinti kanjalo ukuthinta via wona straight wona uFacebook notification uyithola kubona lapha kuma notification awo
Yeah.
uyakutshela ukuthi no you can do this and this kufanele uma sowuzohola ukutshela lapha kubona kuqala ukuthi hey qhubeka nje ukuthi
Yes.
awungeni nje ku-WhatsApp wakho uFacebook ukunotify not unless it's a SMS.
Yeah,
You
but-
guys both have tattoos.
Mm.
I feel for how many do you have?
I don't know. I think 6.
You have 6.
I think so. Or
And you?
5. I don't know.
Unayithathu?
No.
Hey,
Hayi ngasinda mina ngasinda kwifomu because yonke igenge nami evasithi yabashaya wonke ngangiloko ngithi ngizoyishaya nje
I was the first person in my family to rock up with the tats.
mina ngiyasaba. Nanokuthi ngisaba ukuthi I get bored easily.
Mm.
So uma ngithethe awu see la bese
I
ngisayifuni.
phone. I also get bored easily, but for some odd reason, I'm a tattoo. I'm
Tattoo,
Jawathanda.
yeah,
I'm bored. Yes.
Now
Look,
it's
guys, this.
Yeah,
Where was my first one? Go on, Jem. I think my first one was here. I still like it namanje. Ngisafuna ukuthi crop top ivele. Yabo. So I don't know how it works, but nami ngumuntu osheshayo ukuboreka. That's why nama relationships ingenzi kahle. Ibottom. Hitha manje ibottom. But ema-tattooini, I'm actually, I don't know. Ngiyawathanda.
Oh, all right. So ngicela uma kancane. Sikhathini manje?
Kuyoshaya yeah, we need to wrap up.
yeah we need to
Half
wrap up
past
because
3.
manje it's been 1
let me
hour
think so.
40 something minutes na vele uyi-wrap up
Yeah, singale papa. Cemile lapha. Oh, okay. Yo, guys, this was very much of I think Lumgile, I don't think you've ever seen me this honest and this so engaging ever since.
We made him comfortable.
I've never been so honest and so engaging on a podcast and so interested in in such so much conversations. Usually, and I think this is the longest show I've ever did. Thank you so much, guys, for coming through and for being actually part of this. I really, really appreciate it. And we look forward to doing more stuff with you guys. So what can you say, to people abalandela uMadam Ayona, to people abafollow uMadam Ayona? I know that you come from humble beginnings. You always sebenza kanzima ungabi la uqhamuka khona in ungathini nje.
Ngathi ngiyabonga kakhulu abantu abangifollowayo nabangisupportayo ibhizinisi lami. Ngiyabonga nje. Angazi ngiyabonga ngithini but
Yeah.
ngiyabonga bangishintshile impilo yami sengakhile nasekhaya.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
ngiyabonga
Yes.
nje mfethu
Yeah.
ngasho ukuthi benza kakhulu ngiyabonga baqhubeki kakhulu.
Yeah. Sine. Actually, Lumgile, one thing you don't know is that when I first had the idea of the podcast and then you said no, I said more unputted Sandy. So I told you Sine, she was supposed to be my first guest ever. Was season 1.
Abanga 6 season ba manje
Season 2. Tabang. So thank you so much for coming.
Maybe it wasn't meant to be
Yeah,
at that time.
Manje, there was just so much that we had to speak about, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming. I know you didn't hesitate to noba uthunji. So what can you say?
Ngiyahesitate kwabanye wena ngoba wasekhaya. Nami ngifuna ukubonga shame abantu especially Newcastle ngihlezi ngithi mangenza ama shoutouts ngiqala base Newcastle because that's the first place engikhombisa support and for me it was really interesting because bebengangazi I mean eNewcastle angizalwa khona but angikhulelanga khona I grew up at boarding school so bengingahlali eNewcastle my whole life guys primary I was in boarding school high school I was in boarding school ngasuka lapho ngofunda eRes eMaritzburg ngasuka lapho ngohlala eGoli I only started
ukuhlala wedwa you being like independent, not really independent, but being on your own.
Ngijwayele.
So hence moving to Durban was very much
very easy for me. Yes, ngawuhlala eGoli, and then lockdown happened, and then ngawuhlala eNewcastle ngoba kwakungiphoqa. So mina ngiqala ukuhlala eNewcastle ngo-2020, 2021, but abantu support abanginike yona bengazathi bayangazi. I remember nganginowenza ama-video audition nanani babehlezi bengisupport and mind you abangazi angikhulanga asifundanga ekoleni efanayo bengingagibeli nabe transport so they don't know me they don't know me but babona nje kuthiwa can support ingane yase Newcastle so they gave me low support I will forever be grateful for it because namanje they still support me namanje ngisanokuthola i-feedback kubaphathi bami even at the station so hey siyayibona iNewcastle iyalwa lapha kuma comments you know small things like that bayaziveza abantu Newcastle abanqeni ukusho ukuthi hey umuntu wethu loyo you know so ngiyohlezi ngibabeka ku number 1 abantu engibabongayo but also want to thank everybody else who supports me whether I was at Tegwini Joburg I'm just highlighting in Newcastle because ibona abantu bokuqala enga receive ngabi support so mina it will always be sentimental but thank you to everyone who supports me whether you tune into my show you watch me on YouTube Select Africa TV you subscribe to Lokshin Baiti you follow me on social media thank you engakusho sengivala guys please don't give up on your dreams it's very very valid I started wanting to work at Kakasi I think ngazi ikhathi lockdown ngibuye eGoli I manifested that for years and today sengisebenza khona because I didn't give up on my dream so it is very possible to chase your dream uyithole inkinga ngokugive up ufuna ukuba umthwalo wethu because usugive up ngithi unamaphupheni akho ubani ozokupha imali ubani ozokuphilisa ubani semele ubuhluphana nathi
ukuphila kuyabiza
angeke guys nenkinga ngiyacela ukuthi ungagive up emaphusheni akho so that ungeke ube umthwalo wethu phanta nje ulwe mfethu uwe uhuzuka ushayeke but uvuka uyicoshe ilife yakho uzona nasemjoleni angithi asigive up bakuhetheka u45 million but you are still in a relationship nangoku so same mentality it needs to apply even in uthola umuntu uthi I can't leave him ngiyamthanda but uyakushaya I'm not even judging people I'm not saying you should leave your partner but the same mentality yokubekezela onayo emjoleni umbekezelela ngisho sekuchithela esekushaya apply it emaphushweni akho ngeke ungithethe ngeinterview eyodwa usugive uphile come on we had to rejected kangaki thine kuma radio station khane sisebenza yabo so umuntu angagive up uma ugive uphile yazi ukuthi the next best option for you is death or suicide ngoba ugive uphile bese uyaqhubeka uphile ufuna ube umthwalo wabani
yabo
so please ningayenzi lento umuntu akalwe inkosi yami sonke sowafeza amaphupho kuzokwenzeka
speaking of giving up and suicide guys ngazibulali nami ngiyavuka manje ngiyeza impilo yami kuningi that I still want to achieve and me opening up about a lot of things today, that's why I decided to bring these two inspiring and amazing people because I knew okay, well, the fact that I have relations with them, in front of them, okay, having them also, okay, I be inspired. Conversation will flow very much easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please comment, follow Sinene across social media platforms, Madam Ayo across social media platforms, Sending in and now Popular Studios. Shout out to all in this media. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.